most people who are driven and are motivated, वो drive आती negative emotions है.
मुझे ना ऐसा फील हुआ था कि आई एम लेसर, मुझे ऐसा महसूस कराया गया. तो आई वेंट थ्रू अ वेरी लॉन्ग फेज ऑफ फीलिंग विक्टिमाइज्ड बाय माय सर्कमस्टेंस. कुछ लोगों की स्ट्रगल BMW में होती है. फिल्म के टॉप 2-3 डायरेक्टर्स देश की शुरुआत होती है. मैं 250 ऑडिशन दे के आया हूँ. मैं 20 साल पहले जो कपड़े पहनता था ना, तो हंसेगा मेरे ऊपर. मेरा टाइम था बॉस, मेरे को लोखंडवाला में भी पैसे नहीं थे जाके कपड़े खरीदने.
Void feel हुआ?
या ऑफ कोर्स, ये 8-9 साल के बच्चे जो होते हैं ना, बहुत मीन होते हैं. तो उस टाइम पे अगर आपका एक पेरेंट नहीं है तो वो आपको फील कराता है उसके. सो द मेल प्रेजेंस इन माय लाइफ वाज लेस देन व्हाट इज नॉर्मल. बट आपको उस टाइम पे ऐसा लगता है मेरी तो लाइफ खत्म हो गई. सो डेफिनेटली सोशली आपको फील होता है.
You're the harsh parent or the soft one? Who are you?
I'm the
You're
soft
soft one. She's the strict one.
Yeah, it suits her more.
What's your idea of a perfect marriage?
Rule number 1, there's nothing called perfect marriage. Your shared life experience cannot take away from your individual life experience.
There was a study done about emotional maturity. Men fully gets emotionally matured at the age of 43.
I'm 43 mate.
And women get it at 32.
So Meera still has little time.
अच्छा. कभी ऐसे हार्ट ब्रेक हुआ है आपको? बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग इंटेंस. जितने लोग हमारा पॉडकास्ट देखते हैं उनमें से 68.3% लोगों ने अभी तक हमें सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है. तो अगर इस चैनल से आपको कभी भी वैल्यू मिली है या कुछ नया सीखने को मिला है, प्लीज़ हमें सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, क्योंकि आपका एक सब्सक्राइब हमें हेल्प करता है आगे बढ़ने में और बहुत बेहतर एंड बड़े गेस्ट लाने में जो हम आपके लिए लेके आते हैं एंड आपको वैल्यूएबल इनसाइट्स प्रोवाइड करते हैं. सो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल. आज का जो एपिसोड है वो वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट एक्टर्स के साथ है, शाहिद कपूर के साथ. एंड ये एपिसोड में ऐसा लगेगा ही नहीं कि एक स्टार बात कर रहा है. इस एपिसोड में ऐसा लगेगा कि एक बड़ा भाई बात कर रहा है अपने छोटे भाई से और वो अपनी लाइफ के सारे लेसन्स दे रहा है. वो इतनी वल्नरेबिलिटी के साथ, ओपनली इमोशंस के साथ बात कर रहे हैं और बता रहे हैं कि उनके चाइल्डहुड में उनके साथ क्या सही हुआ, क्या गलत हुआ, उनको कब लगा कि रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ उन पर बहुत आ गई है, क्यों वो अपनी एज से ज़्यादा जल्दी बड़े हो गए, क्यों ऐसा हुआ कि इतने बड़े स्टार बनने के बाद भी उन्हें कभी कभी आसपास के लोग ना इन्फीरियर फील कराते थे. एंड उन्हें एक टाइम पे इन्फीरियर फील होने भी लग गया. वो कमज़ोर और कम समझने लगे खुद को. एंड इन सब चीज़ों को, इन इमोशंस को, इन हार्ट ब्रेक्स को, अप्स एंड डाउन्स को, लोज को, बैड फेज को फाइट करके कैसे आज वो इतने बड़े स्टार बन गए. एंड उन्होंने अपने माँ बाप से क्या सीखा एंड वो अब अपने बच्चों को क्या सिखा रहे हैं, इसके बारे में बात हुई है. यू विल लव दिस एपिसोड एंड आपको पता चलेगा कि क्यों शाहिद कपूर आज शाहिद कपूर है. उनके माइंडसेट के बारे में भी पता चलेगा. वॉच दिस एपिसोड टिल द एंड, क्योंकि इतना ओपन एंड इमोशनल कॉन्वर्सेशन शाहिद कपूर ने कभी नहीं किया ऑन एनी एपिसोड. You will love this episode the way I did. Watch this episode till the end. But before you do that, राजशमानी क्लिप्स एंड राजशमानी शॉर्ट्स को जाके सब्सक्राइब कर लो, क्योंकि वहाँ पर हम इस बड़े एपिसोड की छोटी छोटी क्लिप्स डालते हैं ताकि कम समय में आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इनसाइट्स मिले एंड कुछ नया सीखने को और सुनने को मिले. इस पूरे एपिसोड का ऑडियो एक्सपीरियंस स्पॉटिफाई पे अवेलेबल है. आप हमें वहाँ जाके फॉलो कर सकते हैं. Thank you so much for doing this.
No, thank you.
I know, and I've been... It's pleasure because I've been a fan since very long time.
Thank you mate.
Welcome on Figuring Out.
Thank you.
How do you define yourself?
You must have humility, otherwise your self definition will be very negative. Like you will look at only yourself, फिर वो opposite हो जाता है. So it goes into that very I, me and myself phase. If you inherently have a lot of humility in you, and out of that humility you're ready to work to deal with everything that's in front of you, and you never think that you deserve less or more. How do you, अगर आपको लगता है कि I don't deserve this, उसका क्या मतलब है? आप बोल रहे हो लाइफ को कि मैं बेटर हूँ लेकिन तू मेरे साथ गलत कर रहा है. पर अगर आप अपने आप को बोलो whatever comes my way, I will get out of it, तो आप अपने आप को सिचुएशन के ऊपर नहीं डाल रहे, आप अपने आप को एम्पावर कर रहे हो कि जो भी सिचुएशन आएगी आप उससे आगे बढ़ जाओ.
पर कितना डिफिकल्ट होगा आप लोगों को स्पेसिफिकली इन योर करियर टू फील ह्यूमिलिटी, to feel right.
यार मुझे तो लगता है every Friday the box office next, last Friday चला गया बेटा, ये अभी ये Friday है.
No, I'll tell you why I'm saying this, okay? दो situations extreme होती होगी आप लोगों के साथ. एक या तो you surround yourself with people जो हर शाहिद भाई everybody is like just putting you on a pedestal and you're made feel like God की fame हर जगह, पैसा हर जगह, you're like the person, right? And the other side is like जो आपने बताया कि सिर्फ कंपेयर कर रहे हैं, उसकी मूवी ज़्यादा चल रही है, वो ज़्यादा कर रहा है, उसकी हाइट लंबी है, उसकी शक्ल बेटर है, उसका स्टारडम बेटर, whatever, XYZ, right?
Yeah.
So these are like extremes. How in both the situations, कैसे decide करते हो कि मैं
So देख दोनों situations को ना discuss करते हैं. एक situation ये है जो आप बोल रहे हो, because मेरे लिए ना intent important है. Outcome वही होता है, लेकिन किस इंटेंट से आपने वो किया और किस इंटेंट से बाकी लोग आपके चारों तरफ वही चीज़ कर रहे हैं. जैसे अगर मेरी मॉम है, मेरा भाई है, मेरी वाइफ है, मेरे बच्चे हैं, मेरे दोस्त हैं, और जेन्युइनली जो मुझे पसंद करते हैं वो अगर मेरे आसपास हैं और मेरा ख्याल रख रहे हैं, मुझे फील करा रहे हैं यू आर द बेस्ट, तो वो मोहब्बत के साथ और प्यार के साथ कर रहे हैं. उसमें पावर डायनामिक नहीं है. जो लोग वही चीज़ कर रहे हैं क्योंकि उनको पता है कि मुझे ये अच्छा लगता है, तो ताकि मैं उनको अपने पास रखूं, जिससे शायद उनको काम मिल जाए, इंपॉर्टेंस मिल जाए, जो भी मिल जाए, उस वजह से अगर वो लोग वो चीज़ कर रहे हैं, तो फिर वही चीज़ आपके लिए बहुत नेगेटिव है. Because who doesn't want cheerleaders, bro? Like, wouldn't you want people around you to love you and to support you and to celebrate with you and to make you feel special?
Yeah.
I would want to do that for somebody I love, right?
Yeah.
If somebody sees that, hey yaar, wo dekhna kaisa rehta. Like, for example, if I'm with my wife, I pick up her gown, I do something for her, I open the door for her, I speak to her with a great amount of love, and people say, अरे यार देखना यार बीवी के पीछे ऐसे पड़ा रहता है. That's not important, bro. I know the emotion with which I'm doing it, right? But अगर मैं वो दिखाने के लिए 4 फोटोग्राफर खड़े हैं और मैं दिखाने के लिए कर रहा हूँ, तो वो दिख भी जाता है आजकल, मुझे ऐसा लगता है. उन चीज़ों में फर्क भी दिख जाता है. How long will you fake it, bro? There was a time where you could fake it because there is limited exposure. But now, you know, everything is out there all the time. How much are you going to fake it? And if you do that on a 24/7 basis, who are you becoming? You're disconnecting with your own true self. Because you're not changing yourself to become that. You are creating a mirage. It's not real. You know, it's like what we talk about these days कि थक गए हम लोग यार फिल्टर पे फोटो और ये और वो इंस्टा लाइफ और सब झूठ है और लोग डिप्रेस हो रहे हैं. That also is a version of that, right? But then when you start doing it in your personal life, not even on a screen, then you know, so that is actually the most dangerous aspect of being a star. So उसके reasons सही होने चाहिए. And I have gone through all kinds of journeys.
Have you ever created a mirage? Or like an image of yourself जो आपको सिर्फ portray करनी है and maybe you were not and it suffocated you at some point?
I wouldn't say I created an image because I don't think I'm that kind of person.
Okay.
I tried things which are not natural to me.
जैसे?
How to explain? I think I've eventually come to learn that I operate best out of love. Power dynamics don't work for me. मैं अगर पावर के थ्रू फंक्शन करने की कोशिश करूँ, जो मैं कर सकता हूँ, I'm in a position like that, वो I'm not made of that material. I'm trying to swim in the wrong water when I try that. मैंने try किया है, but वो मेरे को ना,
क्या कि
it doesn't feel natural to me. I don't know how to explain it. It's very like, you know, it's like there are micro things we do on a daily basis. You know, the way our brain thinks, that's how we function. और मुझे लगता है वो मैं नहीं हूँ. You know, so it's not me. And I think everybody should know that. कि who are you? I think अपने को उतना समझ में आ जाएगा ना, बॉस ये मैं हूँ. इतना अगर अपने को समझ में आ गया ना ब्रो, तो अपने को अपनी लाइफ में क्या करना है वो समझ में आ जाएगा ना ब्रो.
बट वो सबसे डिफिकल्ट वही होता है.
वही सबसे डिफिकल्ट होता है ब्रो, और वो इवॉल्विंग प्रोसेस भी होता है.
Okay, I'll move forward with this, but try explaining ना कि पावर से ऑपरेट करना मतलब क्या होता है.
अरे यार, इफ आई एम अ स्टार आई एक्सपेक्ट दिस, ये तो होना चाहिए मेरे.
Okay.
वो एक्सपेक्टेशन होता है ना, आप एक्सपेक्टेशन सेट करते हो. डिलीवरेबल्स होते हैं, जैसे मैं अभी मिलने आया, मैं 4 डिलीवरेबल सेट कर सकता ना. मेरी चेयर इतनी हाइट की होनी चाहिए, मेरा कॉफी का मग ये कलर का होना चाहिए, ये 6 सवाल आपको मुझसे पूछने ही चाहिए, 4 बार आपको शाहिद कपूर द सुपरस्टार बोलना ही चाहिए. ये क्या है? अगर आप चाहते हो कि मैं आपके पास आऊँ तो मैं ये आपको ये डिलीवरेबल्स दूंगा, और मोस्ट लोग बोलेंगे हाँ ठीक है यार, अगर मेरे को हो रहा है तो मैं बोल दूंगा, क्या फर्क पड़ता है, राइट? बट अगर मैं वो ना लेकर आऊँ और अगर मैं सिर्फ नॉर्मली आऊँ, तो फिर जो भी होगा ऑर्गेनिकली ऑनेस्टली होगा ना. तो आई थिंक मैं उस ऑनेस्टी को ज़्यादा पसंद करता हूँ. और इस इंडस्ट्री में सब तरह की चीज़ें चलती हैं, लेकिन मैं ऐसा हूँ, और 21 साल बाद मैंने डिसाइड कर दिया अभी मैं ऐसे ही रहूँगा. उसमें लगा टाइम समझने में, 21 साल बाद बोल रहा हूँ, लेकिन अभी मैं क्लियर हो गया ब्रो, ये हूँ, मुझे ऐसे ही रहना है।
कभी ऐसा पावर से कभी ऑपरेट किया एट एनी फेस?
ट्राई ये सोचा भी था, बट मेरे से होता भी नहीं है यार, यू नो, बिकॉज सी मेरे फादर जो है वो एक कैरेक्टर एक्टर थे, ठीक है। माय मॉम वाज अ क्लासिकल कथक डांसर जब वो 15 साल की थी। मैं ना भाड़े के घरों में रहा हूँ, मैंने बड़े सारे ऑडिशंस किए हैं, तो मेरे अंदर ना वो प्रिविलेज है ही नहीं। और मुझे ना जो लोगों के अंदर होती है ना इनबिल्ट दैट वी डिजर्व प्रिविलेज, वो ना उनकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज में, उनकी आंखों में, उनके हिंदी के एक्सेंट में दिख जाती है। तो वो मुझे एक्चुअली, आई एम नोबडी टू जज, बट मेरे को नहीं जमता वो सब, मेरे को जमता ही नहीं, बिकॉज यू हैव टू नो दैट लाइफ हैज पुट यू समवेयर एंड यू हैव टू हैव दैट ग्रेटिट्यूड फॉर इट। यू आर नॉट बेटर देन एनीबडी एल्स। आफ्टर 21 years, my biggest learning, whatever you might call me as an actor, whatever you might call me in my craft, nobody is better, nobody is worse. I'm the best version of myself. उतना ही है।
And you're content with that?
No, I'm not never content with myself. I'm never content with myself. That's another disease I have.
That's a good disease.
I don't know.
It's like
sometimes it's good to enjoy, bro.
There was a study in Harvard about top 1% people in the world.
Right.
Majority of them, they had a common trait. It's called feeling of discontentment.
Yes.
कि उन सबको हर टाइम पे ये लगा कि अभी मैं satisfied नहीं हूँ, including like from the likes of Steve Jobs to whoever you, different walks of life people did it.
Yeah.
So it's a good feeling. The feeling of discontentment actually makes you better.
Well, it's really a matter of perspective. If you want to be in the top 1% of the world who everybody is discontent, or maybe be in the category right below where people are content, it's both sides have their pros and cons. It's nice to feel content also in life, bro.
Which category do you want to be in?
No, bro. I mean, I don't know. I don't want to put myself in any category. I just, I don't know. That's a good question, man. I don't know. I just, at this stage, I feel there's a lot to do. So discontent and
discontent to one,
not content.
The 1% club, 0.01% club.
Yeah.
Interesting. You talked about कि कुछ लोग intent क्या होता है लोगों का,
yes.
उससे बहुत depend करता है, right?
आपका भी अपना intent.
अपना भी. कि are you loving someone या किसी के आप cheerleader बन रहे हो because you genuinely want that person to grow?
Yes.
कि तुम्हें उससे कुछ चाहिए, transactional value में believe कर रहे हो. Can you judge these people?
Judge? What do you mean? I don't like to use the word judge.
No, but
what do you mean?
See, there are a lot of people who would meet you on daily basis.
Can you get a sense of who?
Can you get a sense of people?
It's very transparent, bro.
Transparent?
I'm an actor, bro.
Achha, you can sense it. Give me one or two things how you can spot this. कैसे कर सकते? क्योंकि जो आएगा आपसे
सब फेस के एक्सप्रेशन से आते हैं कुछ लोग ऐसे कि मैं आ गया हूँ टाइप्स, you know, वो दिख जाता है ब्रो, 30 seconds में पता चल जाता है. When they enter a room, they want to make you feel like they've entered the room.
Oh.
It's okay, it's a room full of people, you've also entered, chill bro, you know. तो वो तो है, there are lots of people who have this
so you get
thing.
That. But जिनको आपसे कुछ transaction करना है, वो तो आपसे थोड़ा
honesty से कर लो. Honesty से transaction कर लो. बोलो
मत. वो भी power dynamic setup करने की कोशिश करते हैं, then they ask for a transaction.
नहीं, मेरे साथ अभी इतने साल बाद कम होता है, बट पावर डायनामिक तो हर कमरे में होता है. वो आपके ऊपर है कि आप उस पावर डायनामिक को आपको डोमिनेट करने देते हो या आप उसको रिजेक्ट कर देते हो या आप उसको स्ट्रेटेजिकली मैनेज करते हो. तो वो आपके ऊपर है. रिजेक्ट करोगे तो फिर आपको बहुत सारा रिजेक्शन मिलेगा, बहुत ड्रामा मिलेगा. स्ट्रेटेजिकली मैनेज करोगे तो थोड़ा सा आप बैलेंस कर सकते हो, और अगर उसके अंडर फंक्शन करोगे तो फिर गॉड हेल्प यू यार, गॉड हेल्प यू, बिकॉज यू माइट गेट वेर यू वांट टू गेट, बट व्हाइल गेटिंग देयर हु विल यू बिकम. और वो फंडामेंटल क्वेश्चन हो जाता है लाइफ का. आफ्टर हैविंग लिव्ड लाइफ एंड बीन अ प्रोफेशनल फॉर अबाउट 23-24 years now, because I became a professional even before I became an actor. That is my biggest learning, and that is something I hold myself very, I'm very proud of that about myself, that I have not allowed it to break me or make me lose myself. You can't be lost inside. You must be clean inside. You can be lost outside. I'm still figuring out where I want to reach, but you can't be lost inside. That is the biggest tragedy that can happen to anybody.
You know, you were talking about when people enter room. You and me happened to be in one room a couple of years ago.
Okay.
And this was...
Where was this?
This was GQ Men of the Year or something?
Yes.
You were wearing white.
I was wearing white. So I was shooting for Deva only, actually.
Acha.
Yeah, I remember that.
So that time I came...
think me and Alia had got something.
Yes. So I came home and I told my team one thing, ki, you know what? I've met like so many people and I felt that you were so secure in your own thing, and that was like... that was like charismatic.
Thank you.
That thing, because you're not the, see, when you go in a room, right? That room, you were not like with 550 bodyguards.
Yeah.
You didn't have anyone like around
Yes.
you. You're not the tallest guy. You're not the most like the biggest.
I'm never the tallest guy in the room.
Right? So all these, like there was this aura about you which was so good. And I was trying to disseminate that ki kya tha, like what was that which really felt powerful. It felt like ऐसे आप अंदर जा रहे हो और ऐसे आसपास एक aura बना हुआ है, and that was so good. So I just wanted to compliment you on
Maybe
that.
it was just the white suit reflecting off the light.
I don't know. No, you felt very secure. Like you were, पता है ऐसा दिख रहा था कि आप खुश हो, आप humble हो अपनी दुनिया में और बस काम करके चले जाओगे. Like I don't know. There's something unique about it. I can't define it, but it felt authentic.
Thank you.
It was really good. हम failure पे बात कर रहे थे, तो I want to
Yes.
continue on that.
Yes, sure.
You were telling कि failure कभी define ही नहीं करते हो.
नहीं, मैं ये कह रहा था कि अगर आप फेलियर को फेलियर की तरह देखोगे और उसको वैसे महसूस करोगे तो वही आपको सराउंड करेगा ना, वही एनर्जी आपको सराउंड करेगी. लेकिन विद इन दैट फेलियर अगर आप ग्रोथ देख सकते हो, अगर आप अपॉर्चुनिटी देख सकते हो, तो फिर आप उसको you are using it in a positive manner to create it as an opportunity to push you forward, because in life you always need fuel to accelerate ना.
Yeah.
तो वो एक्सेलरेशन कहाँ से आएगा? फ्यूल चाहिए कुछ.
True.
जैसे कि कंप्लेसेंसी बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम होता है. जैसे अगर आप जिंदगी में हमेशा बड़े कंफर्टेबल रहे हो तो देयर इज नो ड्राइव, यू नो. सो पॉजिटिव सिचुएशंस में भी नेगेटिव एट्रीब्यूट्स होते हैं और नेगेटिव सिचुएशंस में बड़े सारे पॉजिटिव एट्रीब्यूट्स होते हैं. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि नेगेटिव सिचुएशन में कुछ बुरा नहीं होता.
Yeah.
होता है, लेकिन उसके साथ साथ काफी सारी और चीजें भी होती हैं. अगर आप फोकस थोड़ा शिफ्ट करोगे तो आप अपने आप को मदद कर पाओगे ना. नहीं तो आप अपने आप को उसी जोन में बंद कर लोगे और फिर सब चीज वैसे ही दिखेगी आपको.
True.
You know, it's the glasses that you wear. Whatever color glasses you wear, that's how you'll see the world. ना, वो तो होता ही है.
And it's like most people who are driven and are motivated, वो drive आती negative emotions है. Like
कई
that's
बार
how
आती है.
in the beginning it starts like that.
या जैसे मेरे साथ वो भी बड़ी एक इंटरेस्टिंग पर्सनल इंटरनल कॉन्वर्सेशंस जो हमारी होती हैं मेरे साथ हुई कि मुझे कभी कभी ऐसे लगता था कि यू नो मेरी एंग्स्ट के अंदर से, क्योंकि मैंने कुछ ऐसे परफॉर्मेंसेस भी दिए हैं, टॉकिंग अबाउट दोस्त. देवा भी वैसी टाइप का कैरेक्टर है, बहुत एंग्स्टी कैरेक्टर है, यू नो. ही इज गॉट कॉम्प्लेक्स, डीप, ऑल्सो डार्क इमोशन, यू नो. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि यार यू नो वो जो इमोशन है उससे मुझे ड्राइव मिलती है, तो शायद वो फीलिंग्स मेरे लिए अच्छी हैं. लेकिन फिर मुझे ये फील हुआ कि नहीं, you should not be somebody who uses dark emotion to push things out. You should be able to vortex dark energy into positive energy. It's like अगर आपका घर जल गया है और आप वही आग जाके किसी और के घर पे डालोगे और आपको लगेगा कि मैंने कुछ, आप किसी और के घर में आग लगी है तो जाके उसको मदद करो क्योंकि आपका घर जल चुका है, वो पॉजिटिव होता है.
बट ये शुरू से ऐसा थोड़ी होगा.
नहीं, शुरू से नहीं था.
In the beginning failure को failure जैसे ही देखते होगे, right? This wise thing would have come later.
No bro, I went through a very long phase of feeling victimized by my circumstances.
When was this?
All through my life, because I had that kind of a life, right? Like
थोड़ा explain करो.
भाई कुछ लोगों की स्ट्रगल BMW में होती है. उनकी शुरुआत फिल्म के टॉप 2-3 डायरेक्टर्स देश के शुरुआत होती है. मैं 250 ऑडिशन दे के आया हूँ. तो जब आप, जैसे एक बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग एग्जाम्पल है कि 400 मीटर का एक रनिंग का एरिया होता है, यू नो, लाइक अ प्रॉपर ट्रैक इज 400 मीटर्स, राइट. तो एक एक्सपेरिमेंट हुआ था, बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग वर्कशॉप था जहाँ मैंने वीडियो देखा था, जहाँ पे उन लोगों ने सब लोगों को बोला कि ये रेस है, आपको सबको, यू ऑल हैव टू रन दिस रेस. एंड उन्होंने अलग अलग लोगों को अलग अलग पॉइंट्स पे खड़ा कर दिया. तो एवरीबडी वाज लाइक, दिस इज सो अनफेयर, यू नो, समबडी स्टैंडिंग एट 200 meters, यू मेड मी स्टैंड 50 meters behind the starting line. So they said, but that is life ना. Do you recognize that about life? क्या आप ये recognize करते हो कि शायद आप ऑलरेडी 200 मीटर के एडवांटेज पे हो,
Yeah.
और कोई बंदा 50 मीटर के डिसएडवांटेज पे है, जीरो स्टार्टिंग लाइन से भी. तो जब आप बाहर जाके दुनिया में लोगों से मिलते हो, जब आप अपने बारे में सोचते हो, when you ask yourself, am I a success or a failure? It's not based on where you are. It's based on where you started and where you've reached.
True.
So हम अपने साथ क्या करते हैं ना, हम अपने circumstances को हटा के we want to be the best in comparison to everybody else without taking into context actually where we started from and where they are starting from. that has to be there. I think it makes things a little more contextual. You know, आप अपने आप के साथ थोड़ा fair हो सकते हैं.
Yeah, but you said कि starting में आपको victimized feel हो जाता है.
मुझे ऐसा लगता था
Tell me
मेरे
that.
circumstances मुझे support नहीं करते.
Give me examples, 2-3.
कॉन्स्टेंटली यार मेरे लोग मेरे को हमेशा कहते थे यार तू काम तो बड़ा अच्छा करते, तेरी पिक्चर इतनी क्यों नहीं चलती, तुझे बेस्ट डायरेक्टर्स क्यों नहीं मिलते, इस तरह की बड़ी सारी बातें होती थी. तो मैं ना उसमें बिलीव करने लगा था कि मेरी ना डेस्टिनी में ही प्रॉब्लम है, मैं तो बहुत अच्छा. और फिर मैंने ना उस चीज़ को कंप्लीटली फ्लिप किया.
कौन से पॉइंट पे फ्लिप हुआ है? व्हाट वाज द स्विच?
I would say it's happened recently in the last couple of years, 2-3 years maybe post COVID something changed within me. पता नहीं क्या था. Or maybe it's just, you know, I'm 43 now, so as you grow and go through different phases in life, and I'm fortunate that I'm going through many different phases. If you're in the same place, so you're stuck only, bro,
Yeah.
right? So I guess if you're changing, that means you're evolving, you're growing, you know, and you're ready to accept changes. That's very important. So that it just happened where मुझे ऐसा लगा कि इसको ना opposite try करते हैं, you know.
बट ये खुद से ही realization आया कि
खुद से ही
you saw
होता है यार,
something,
कोई बता
you
नहीं
were
सकता.
like,
कोई नहीं सिखा सकता यार, ये अंदर से आती है.
वही like
आवाज़.
suffocated कि यार मैं ये फीलिंग बेकार हो गई, मुझे चेंज करना है.
बाहर वाली जो आवाज होती है ना ब्रो, वो ना इंस्टाग्राम पे अपन देखते हैं वीडियोस ऐसे लोग पॉडकास्ट देखते हैं 2 मिनट इंस्पायर हो जाते हैं, बट वो अगर आपकी अंदर की जो रेजोनेंस, आपकी जो अंदर की एनर्जी है उससे अगर मैच नहीं करता तो वो 2 मिनट बाद आप उसी एनर्जी पे चले जाओगे.
Yeah.
जो आपको बाहर से मिल रहा है, अगर आप कुछ किसी चीज के साथ कनेक्ट कर रहे हो 2 मिनट के लिए भी, और आपको लगता है वो आपके लिए आपको एलिवेट कर रही है थोड़ा सा, तो फिर उस एलिवेशन को वापस ड्रॉप मत होने दो, फिर उसको वापस पुश करो, अपने अंदर से चर्न करो उसको, यू नो. फिर जब आप चर्न करोगे तो फिर इफ यू कैन बी योर ओन मशीन, अगर आप अपनी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी खुद ही बना सकते हो, तो फिर आपको बाहर से जरूरत नहीं
पड़ेगी.
होगी.
Yeah.
आप इंजॉय करोगे, आप अप्रिशिएट करोगे, आप कनेक्ट करोगे, लेकिन अगर वो नहीं हुआ तो आप डाउन नहीं हो जाओगे, यू नो.
Yeah.
तो आपको खुद अपनी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, अपनी वाइब्रेशन खुद क्रिएट करनी होती है, जो मुझे लगता है हर क्रिएटिव इंसान को, हर इंसान जो एक ऐसी जगह में है कि वो काफ़ी लोगों तक अपने आप को पहुंचा सकता है, उसको ये सीखना बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि आपको वो अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली है कि आप उसको फैला सकते हो. और वो एक्चुअली तो द जॉय इज व्हेन यू कैन शेयर इट विद अदर पीपल एंड व्हेन वी कैन ऑल फील दैट फीलिंग टुगेदर. यू नो, लाइक दिस से प्लेजर इज अ वेरी पर्सनल इमोशन. You want to feel pleasure alone.
Yes.
You know, but happiness needs to be shared.
Shared.
If you are genuinely happy, आप अगर अकेले कमरे में बंद हो ना, आप खुशी नहीं होगे. आपको लगेगा यार मैं मॉम को बताऊं, भाई को बताऊं, दोस्तों को बताऊं, और उनको जब आप बताओगे और फिर सब के एक्सप्रेशन में, आंखों में आप वो स्माइल देखोगे, तो जेन्युइनली आपको हैप्पीनेस एक्सपीरियंस होती है, यू नो. सो आई थिंक पॉजिटिव एनर्जी ऑल्सो यू नीड टू शेयर इट, यू नो. आई थिंक इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
I want you to think a little bit and tell me an exact pinpoint जहाँ पे you felt like कि okay ये failure था, and then one time you've pinpointed and feel like oh ये तो सिर्फ मेरी लाइफ में एक लेसन है, अब यहाँ से तो मुझे आगे जाना है, because these are same situations,
Yeah.
but दोनों का perspective देखने का बहुत अलग है, and over the time just how you told me
या
कि change हुआ है right in life.
आई थिंक पिन पॉइंट करना बड़ा मुश्किल है यार, बिकॉज ये ना डेली इवॉल्विंग प्रोसेस है मेरे लिए.
Still if you had to think about when you felt like कि यार मैं devastated हूँ, victimized हूँ, मुझे क्या हो गया यार, ये क्यों हो रहा है?
ये कबीर सिंह के पहले हुआ था मेरे साथ. मेरे अंदर जो भी था, मुझे ना ऐसा फील हुआ था, मैं स्पेसिफिक्स में नहीं घुसूंगा, कि आई एम लेसर. मुझे ऐसा महसूस कराया गया,
Lesser
जबरदस्ती नहीं
meaning
किया
what?
किसी ने. एज एन आर्टिस्ट, एज अ स्टार, एज एन इंडिविजुअल, मुझे ऐसा सिचुएशन में डाला गया कि मुझे ये फील हो कि मैं कम हूँ, और ये मैं कभी एक्सेप्ट नहीं करूँगा.
कम मतलब
Lesser.
कि your stardom is
It's
less,
like
कि
your-
acting is less, or
It's like your clothes are better than mine.
oh
It's just a
like
comparison.
little things compare.
No, it's a comparative. Sometimes life puts you in a situation where it plays out in a way where you're in close proximity and you're made to feel lesser. It's not nobody's fault. I'm not getting into that,
Yeah.
but that is what I went through for some time, and I was made to feel like that.
and you
And
felt it.
I fought it because ना यार मैं survivor हूँ. मैं जहाँ से लाइफ से मैं उठ के आया हूँ, और जो मैंने लाइफ, मेरी जो जर्नी रही है ना
हाँ.
पिछले 21 सालों में, मैंने अपने बारे में ये सीखा कि तू सर्वाइवल है यार. तू निकल आता है सिचुएशंस में से, मुश्किल सिचुएशंस में से, कॉम्प्लेक्सिटीज में से तू निकल आता है. यू नो, मेरे एक दोस्त ने एक दिन मुझे बोला, यू नो, शायद वेरी निम्बल फुटेड, तू ना टक 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 करके निकल जाता है, तू अटकता नहीं कहीं पे, एंड दैट स्टेड विथ मी बिकॉज आई यूज्ड टू ऑलवेज थिंक द ऑपोजिट. मुझे लगता था यार मैं फंस जाता हूँ, एंड ही सेड नहीं, तू सिचुएशन जो भी हो तू निकल जाता है उसमें से, एंड आई फेल्ट दैट वाज अ रियली रियली गुड क्वालिटी. Because life will constantly throw new things at you. If you get stuck, that's not good for you. You have to learn to be nimble footed and move out of that, right? So I told myself at that time that no, Shahid, don't let this define you. Nobody should define you. You should define yourself.
You talked about कि internally ऐसे phases आए जहाँ पे you felt less or like people were trying to make you feel less.
Still, my film comes out in a week, 10 days, and I'm shitting my pants half the time.
Was it natural?
And then listening to uplifting music and telling myself, we're going to kill it, buddy, we're going to kill it. So it's constantly there, right? That duality is constantly there,
But that's good. That's a good thing that you always feel that.
Yes.
कभी imposter syndrome हुआ?
In what way? Like, give me a little...
Like, जैसे you go to a place and you feel like यार ये मैं belong नहीं करता है, that I don't deserve this. मतलब मेरे साथ क्यों हो गया ये? I don't deserve this. I don't belong here.
अच्छा, I don't deserve this?
Or maybe I don't belong here.
I don't belong here. I still feel
कि कुछ ज़्यादा मिल गया, like shit, मतलब मेरे को मिला
मिल गया. Yes, कभी-कभी जब आपको बहुत प्यार मिलता है आपकी फिल्म के लिए तो आपको फील होता है यार मैंने तो हर फिल्म में मेहनत की थी, इसमें इतना क्यों मिल रहा है. वो फील हुआ था.
किस में फील हुआ?
पहली फिल्म में फील हुआ था, कबीर सिंह में फील हुआ था. होता है. There are times जब आपको बहुत ऐसा overwhelming पॉजिटिविटी मिलती है तो यू फील लाइक दैट. बट आई ऑल्सो फील और दे दो. I'll be honest with you. और चाहिए, अभी दिल नहीं भरा है. So
होता है.
I mean mostly I feel it. I'm a very simple person, yaar. So and by simple I don't mean I am complex, of course, but I'm a simple person in like normal things. Like मैं simple खाना खाता हूँ, मैं over complicate नहीं करना पसंद करता चीज़ों को. मुझे रूम के डायनामिक्स को वो रीड करना और फिर उसके अकॉर्डिंगली एक सर्टेन वे में बिहेव करना और वो सब मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता है. मुझे आई गेट टायर्ड. एक होता है ना कि sometimes people ride on that. If something is natural to you, it is authentic to you.
Yeah.
And authenticity wastes no energy. So if you're feeling like you're wasting a lot of energy doing something and it's so efforted and yaar bahut, that means there is something very unauthentic about that. You should step away from that. It's not you. You're trying to force something. Let it go. Let it go. Let it happen. Let something happen. वो होना होगा जो हो जाएगा. I don't think you should mess with the energies of the universe. You will get, it's a interactive relationship. You, your destiny, the universe, what we are a part of. It's an interactive relationship. If you will do something, you'll get a feedback. You have to have the ability to action, reaction, and then absorb the reaction. And then again come back. But if you action, no, action, if you get into that mode, then you're not being able to have a complete relationship. Then you're only pushing what you want. You're not sensing what's happening. Because every action will have a reaction. So you have to sense the reaction. And your next action has to be based on after you have absorbed and sensed the reaction, then you take your second action. It's an interactive relationship.
It feels like you've done a lot of internal work.
I guess.
Yeah, you have. Like at least it feels like that.
बहुत सोचता हूँ मैं.
बहुत ज़्यादा.
बहुत मेहनत लगी है.
But ऐसे कभी फील हुआ है कि मुझे खुद को प्रूव करना है? With every character जब भी आप करते हो.
अभी भी फील होता है bro.
You feel like constant need to prove yourself?
Because bro 250-300 ऑडिशन आप दे चुके हो, आप लोगों के साथ खड़े हो चुके हो, आप देख चुके हो लोगों की आंखों में वो एक्सप्रेशन कि यार मुझे ले ले यार, मैं अच्छा हूँ यार. तो फिर जब आपको वो स्पॉटलाइट मिलती है तो वो तो आपके लिए इट्स अ प्रिविलेज टू बी देयर ना. कितने लोगों को नहीं मिलती, आपको मिलती है. अगर उसकी इज्जत आप नहीं करोगे यार तो हट जाओ वहां से. That has to be like your temple. That is sacrosanct, that is sacred. You are blessed to be standing there.
तो कैसे इम्प्रूव करते हो हर कैरेक्टर में, हर मूवी में कि अब मुझे पिछली बार से एक एक्स्ट्रा कुछ प्रूव करना है?
It is an inherent undying need, I think. It's like a natural spring. वो naturally होती है, वो lifelong होएगा. If you think and feel like that, if that is who you are deep within, it is natural to you. What is unnatural is to do something that you, हाँ ठीक है ना, ये भी कर लेते हैं. It's unnatural to do that. And sometimes I tell myself, but Shahid, after 20-21 years of work, sometimes just do something and enjoy the fact that it's coming to you for the 20 years, 21 years that you've been here. But it doesn't feel like, maybe that is not what I like. Maybe I like to, I think maybe that's true. Maybe I like to work and feel that sweat and grime of achieving something. Maybe that is what satisfies me.
Is that the reason कि you choose इतने सारे complex characters and always trying to do something different?
That's just because, you know, I have grown up on cinema and I feel that actually the beauty of cinema is in being able to show the complex dynamics of life. You know, because that it gives you that opportunity where you can take that to people. And you know, when you're in a situation, you're not able to process it. But when you're outside the situation, you have a bird's eye view. So when you're watching a movie as a viewer, I have a bird's eye view of that world. So I might have been in that situation, I might have been through those emotions. But if I can make you feel that you are seeing something that is a complex, deep emotion that you have within, and that helps you understand that about yourself, or accept that about yourself, or somebody else that you like or love, and see it in context, and then it can stay with you and it can maybe add something to your life. That is the best thing that films and cinema can do for you. You know, that is the highest level of what it has done for me. Like when I saw movies, bro, मेरे लिए तो वही हुआ ना, मैं I was like, हाँ यार ये होता है, ये इसने कैसे कर दिया यार, ये तो मेरे को ये फील हुआ, इमोशन इसने मेरे को फील करा दिया यार, ये तो मेरे को 10 साल पहले मेरे मोस्ट प्राइवेट मोमेंट में मेरे को ये फील हुआ था, और यार मैं अभी 300 लोगों के बीच में बैठा और ये मुझे वो फीलिंग हो रही है यार, ही इज ट्रिगरिंग दैट मोमेंट इन माय लाइफ. तो दैट इज लाइक, यू नो, यू टेक अ बबल एंड you put a pin in it and slowly it just all dissolves, you know. So it did that for me. There were so many emotions, complexities, feelings that I had. It helped me deal with them, accept them, see them with a perspective. So I want to do that as an actor now that I am in those shoes. You know, I want to do that.
कोई एक मूवी बताओ जिसमें you have felt ये XYZ इमोशन मेरा टच कर दिया इस मूवी ने, एंड दैट इज समथिंग मेरे को करना एज एन एक्टर.
बहुत सारी फिल्में हैं यार. एक तो मैं जब 6 साल का था ना, मैंने साहब बीवी और गुलाम देखी थी.
Okay.
और उसमें जो मीना कुमारी जब गाना गाती हैं, और यू नो, मुझे वो अभी गाना नहीं याद है, कौन सा गाना है वो गाती हैं गाना, और उनका जो एक एंग्स था कि मुझे छोड़ के मत जाओ. एज अ चाइल्ड आई रिलेटेड टू दैट इमोशन. आई डोंट नो व्हाट आई फेल्ट इट फॉर, लाइक आई स्टिल डोंट हैव क्लैरिटी, बट आई एम श्योर एज अ चाइल्ड यू फील लेफ्ट अलोन, और यू फील आइसोलेटेड, और यू फील इनसिक्योर, or you don't want to be left alone. You want to have more time with somebody. It could be your parents, it could be your grandparents, it could be your best friend who you want more time with. I related to that emotion कि यार adults को भी ऐसा feel हो सकता है जो मुझे as a child feel होता है. So there are so many times in life, you know, when that happens.
And कोई movie में ऐसे हुआ है कि आपने कोई character play किया है and then that has taught you something about yourself?
Lot of things, bro.
जैसे?
I realized I have a really crazy, dark, hectic side to me, because I am a very spiritual person. I'm like very attracted to spirituality and I have a strong spiritual side. So maybe I keep that in check. That keeps that in check for me. But maybe I do have
crazy dark side. थोड़ा समझाओ.
अरे यार तूने मेरे characters नहीं देखे हैं?
हाँ देखे ना.
So how to do those characters, bro?
Heather, उड़ता पंजा.
How would I do Tommy Singh if some aspect of that madness? I've never had a sip of alcohol in my life. How will I know what it is to be high like that? Something has to be inside me, right, to connect with it. So it was there. I don't know. Maybe it just comes in my characters. It doesn't come in real life. I don't know. That side of me never comes in real life.
Never.
It only comes in front of the camera.
Have you ever played?
And I can feel that. I can feel something else is starting happening when roll sound in certain characters. When you're in the mood of the scene, and that roll sound happens and you need to feel a certain way, it comes. I don't know where it comes, but it comes. It has to be honest, bro. You can't fake it. It has to be honest.
But ये इतनी सारी diversity कैसे है? Like I'm sure you're not Heather in your real life or Kabir Singh in your life or Kurta Punjab character in your life. You need to have a very
good imagination. You know, like I was seeing again at some video I was seeing where they were saying that you, with a child, if you play a game of imagination with them and you tell them, you know, now you're a you're a superhero and you know you're going to wear a cape and then you're going to fly. You tell a 3-4-year-old child, he'll jump off the sofa and he'll do it, and you'll have to hold him or he'll fall because he's in that zone. He believes it. His imagination is so strong. So I guess you have to have that childish imagination. So you have to be able to imagine things. So I imagine, like, I will say something very triggering to myself before I give a certain type of shot.
और गिव मी एन एग्जांपल इन देवा का जितना ट्रेलर देखा है मैंने कि दिस कॉप
Yeah.
बहुत गुस्सा है उसको, उसका एक डार्क साइड है,
Hurt है.
हर्ट
pain
है.
है.
हाँ.
Every strong emotion comes from deep hurt and pain. नहीं तो वो आता नहीं है bro. If something hasn't penetrated deep enough, the reaction will not be so strong.
तो खुद को कैसे ट्रिगर किया?
वो नहीं बता सकता. That's very personal call. नहीं वो नहीं मैं नहीं बता सकता. But I will think about people and things that are the closest to me.
And उन्होंने कब हर्ट किया and क्या
And
हुआ?
उन्होंने कब hurt किया नहीं. If something happened to them, or if those kind of, I make it very personal for myself. I have to. I don't know if it's healthy, but I have to do that because it has to be honest.
You know, they say कि आप जैसे चाइल्डहुड में होते हो उसका कोई पार्ट होता है वो आपको शेप कर देता है आपकी अडल्टहुड
course.
में, राइट? ऐसा कुछ हुआ है चाइल्डहुड में which has shaped a part of you today?
Everything.
जैसे?
Everything. जैसे मतलब यार everything. Trust me.
Give me some memory of childhood जहाँ पे कुछ हुआ है and you're
I
like,
really believe 90% of your personality is formed till the age of 7. The other 10% is just you trying to manage that 90%. That has already got created before you had the ability
to create
to
a person.
process it and to make a choice. And that's why I'm such a big believer in destiny, because I feel that till the age of 7 or 8, everything that happens to you is nothing has been empowered by you. You have not been the creator of that situation. It's always attributed to you by virtue of who you were born to or where you lived, which school you went to, who were the friends that were surrounding you, who were your grandparents, and mostly it's to do with the people around you, right?
Yeah.
So I do believe very strongly in destiny and the fact that a lot of these things which are fundamental are already decided for you. Then it's just a matter of how well you play your hand. You can play it really well, you can play it badly, but the hand is kind of been dealt to a large degree.
But आप connect करते हो कुछ part से childhood के?
As I'm growing older, I'm realizing that most of who you are comes from your childhood. I think it's taken me many years to understand that. And once you understand that a lot of it comes from your childhood, I think you're able to kind of find context. And you're also able to, at least with me, like I feel I am able to resolve things. I'm able to see them in perspective. I'm able to forgive myself and tell myself that, this is a tendency that you have, but you can change it if you work on it. If you tell yourself that this is something I can't change, then you can't change. But if you tell yourself that it might not change immediately, but if I work on it slowly, it'll change. So those kind of things I've worked a lot on. Like my reaction, my inherent personality is to be like a worst case scenario person. अभी ऐसा हो गया तो अभी ये सब गड़बड़ हो जाएगा. Also I have an extreme attention for detail, so I can see the things that can go wrong. But now I've flipped my personality and tried to become somebody who sees how I can fix anything that can go wrong and how I can focus on the one thing that can go right. And if I focus on it hard enough, none of the things that can go wrong will go wrong. That flip has happened in me now.
जैसे, so when I try to connect my life, okay, तो मैं अभी, so I feel like कि a part of my childhood was very ऐसे parentified son जैसा feel होता था मुझे, right? Parentified
How do you
son?
define that? Like, because there are a lot of these broad terms, but I think everybody has a personal interpretation of it.
True.
So like for you, how would that be?
Okay,
like?
so in broader terms जो loose definition होती है कि knowingly or unknowingly आपके पेरेंट्स की आपसे कुछ एक्सपेक्टेशन होती है
जी.
एंड देन एज एन एल्डर किड मोस्टली
You're also an elder kid.
I'm
also an elder kid.
yeah. तो फिर आप वो एक्सपेक्टेशंस को फुलफिल करने की कोशिश करते हो. मे बी वो डायरेक्टली नहीं बोलते हैं, बट आप चाहते हो फुल टाइम कि उन्हें इम्प्रेस करते रहो.
Yes.
फुल टाइम आप चाहते हो कि
Yes.
ओके पापा को अच्छा लगता है तो मैं ये करूंगा. मे बी ही इज नॉट इवन सेड इट, बट आई वांट टू डू इट एन एक्स्ट्रा थिंग.
Yeah.
कि मम्मी अगर दुखी है या उनको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है तो मैं हूँ, मेरी वजह से ही वो खुश रहेंगी.
Yes.
तो I take like full dependency and like
Yeah.
responsibility of the family's emotional needs
Yeah.
and try to just make it up.
Yeah.
तो मैं कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं करूंगा जिनसे उनको थोड़ा सा भी बुरा लगे.
जी.
And for the longest time I did that, just try to impress. And in this situation में आपको कहता है you forget yourself.
Yes.
Because you are just trying to live up to your parents' expectations.
Yes, true.
So that's a little part of
Yes.
which I realized recently after doing a lot of work, and कि हाँ कुछ parts से जहाँ पे I can't say fully.
Yeah.
पर कुछ था. तो जैसे ऐसे something have you realized about it? Have you been parentified, sir?
I mean, I would not. I always try and shy away from these terms.
Okay.
Because with
But-
everybody, their association to the term is so different. So I would not use that term. But are there things that have happened in my childhood that have deeply shaped who I am? Yes. I did come from a home where my parents were not together from the age of 3. I lived a lot with my mom. I would see my father only once in the year. So the male presence in my life was less, much less than what is normal. Now, because I have children and I can see when I am not there or even for a couple of days, how that affects my son and my daughter. It very clearly gives me perspective to compare to maybe how I might have felt as a child. So those things become apparent because that's the beauty of life, right? Like roles reverse. First you're a son and then you're a father, you know, or first you're a daughter and then you're a mother, you know. So that role reversal will happen. And when that role reversal happens, it's like life is completing a cycle. So you have 2 dimensions or 2 sides to compare. You know, and a lot of times it brings about both types of feelings. कभी-कभी ये भी फील होता है कि यार मैं तो अपने फादर जितना अच्छा या मदर जितना अच्छा हो ही नहीं सकता. कभी ये फीलिंग आती है यार मैं तो बहुत कर रहा हूँ यार, मेरे माँ बाप ने क्यों नहीं किया इतना मेरे लिए. तो ये दोनों तरीके की फीलिंग्स आ सकती है और दोनों गलत नहीं है क्योंकि आपके कंट्रोल में ना आपके अवेयरनेस में उनके सर्कमस्टांसेस हैं. उनके क्या सर्कमस्टांसेस थे वो सिर्फ वही जान सकते हैं. यू नो,
कुछ आइडिया नहीं है
वो उनकी कॉन्शियंस है, उनकी जर्नी है, उनकी डेस्टिनी है. यू नो, like the nicest saying for me is that, you know, if somebody is like I won't be able to say it well, but मैं उसकी main
paraphrase करता हूँ.
thought समझा देता हूँ. That if somebody is being mean, let them be mean, be nice anyways. If somebody is being rude, let them be rude, be nice anyways. If somebody is being selfish, let them be selfish, be kind anyways. Because eventually it was not between you and them. It was between you and him. सबका अपना रजिस्टर खुलेगा ब्रो ऊपर जाके. कोई ये नहीं पूछेगा कि उसने ये किया तो तुमने ऐसे क्यों किया. वो डायरेक्ट यही पूछेगा कि तुमने ऐसे क्यों किया. तुम्हें मुझे जवाब देना है. So whether you want to call it God, whether you want to call it your own conscience, whatever you want to call it, right? Whatever resonates with you, whatever is your belief system. But if you feel that there is accountability, fundamentally, there is accountability. There is some relationship between action and reaction, and there is some relationship between what we do and who we become, or what we do and what we get. Fundamentally, it could be 5 lifetimes later. That's not the question I'm asking, you know. But do you believe fundamentally, or is there just chaos? This is a fundamental question we should ask ourselves. Everything, is there chaos or is there order? Because if there is order, then that order will be absolute order.
Yeah.
Nothing can exist in like that. And if there is chaos, then everything is just chaos. It doesn't matter what you do. What you do and what you get is completely unrelated. Right? That's one way of looking at life. If you go to the extreme of it, right? One way of looking at it is by saying there is complete order. I don't understand it because I am in it. I am not outside it. But there is complete order because I sense it, right? So my brain tells me there is. Let's not say brain. Brain usually gives you rubbish answers. My instinct, my
soul, my heart, my body,
my consciousness, my awareness makes me feel very strongly there is. You know, so they will have to answer the same God that you will have to answer in your time. तो अपना देखो bro.
So अपना
बाकी लोग का टेंशन मत लो, अपना देख लो. You know what I'm saying?
You know, आपने बोला मेल प्रेजेंस के बारे में. क्या होता है मिसिंग मेल प्रेजेंस मतलब घर में? What is different?
I think for like मेरे बेटे के लिए मैं definitely कहूँगा कि I feel वो he is more secure when I am around him. जब मैं नहीं होता हूँ तो थोड़ा सा उसके अंदर की एक सिक्योरिटी थोड़ी सी मुझे लगता है इफेक्ट होती है. बोथ इवन विथ माई डॉटर, बट आई फील मोर विथ माई सन बिकॉज आई थिंक दैट मेल एनर्जी कनेक्ट बिटवीन फादर एंड सन. आई थिंक it's a little, I don't know, it's just, I don't know, it's just male and male energy. I don't know how it works, but maybe we feed off as father and child. We feed off each other, and initially maybe he feeds off. Maybe as we grow older, maybe I'll feed off his energy. I don't know how it is. So वो मुझे definitely feel होता है. यार, it's like, you know, parents का क्या है ना bro, it's like you दो पाँव हैं, दो पाँव पे आदमी खड़ा हुआ है जमीन के ऊपर. एक parent नहीं होता तो एक पाँव तो नहीं होता ना, बैलेंस नहीं होता ना वो पाँव में. तो वो it's naturally meant to be a certain way यार. तो दुनिया जैसे बनाई है तो उसमें दोनों पेरेंट्स का रोल है ब्रो.
हाँ, पर होता क्या है, अंडरस्टैंड एक दो चीजें which maybe आपको ऐसे as a kid void feel होती थी and that shaped something in you.
हाँ, like I was very close to my grandfather, my mom's father. Like if I look back now, I would say he's the deepest influence in my life. But I'm sure he was filling in the shoes of my dad not being there every day, right? So I guess that is what he was doing, and he was unconditionally there for me, you know. So he's my strongest memory as a child is with my maternal grandfather, my Nana ji.
मुझे कोई
I used to call him Abbu because my mom used to call him Abbu, so I also used to call him Abbu.
कोई अच्छी memory बताओ जो that has impacted you.
कि ना ये समझाना बड़ा मुश्किल है. उनकी एक ट्वीड की गोल्फर हैट थी, वो मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी मेमोरी है. उनकी एक घड़ी थी जिसमें क्रैक था, और वो घड़ी पहनते थे रोज वही वाली, और उसका ग्लास क्रैक हो गया था. वो मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी विजुअल मेमोरी है. उनके बड़े बड़े चश्मे ब्लैक वाले, यू नो, किशोर कुमार नहीं, अशोक कुमार सर वैसे पहनते थे, उस टाइप के बड़े चश्मे. He had very kind, very loving eyes, and he was a very beautiful writer. तो उनकी ज़बान बहुत 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 अच्छी थी, और वो बहुत एडुकेटेड और बहुत इवॉल्व थे, बहुत फिलोसॉफिकल थे, एक्सट्रीमली वेल रेड. तो जब भी मैं स्कूल जाता था, मुझे याद है, जब तक मैं बॉम्बे शिफ्ट नहीं हुआ, मैं आई थिंक आई वॉज ऑलमोस्ट 11 when I shift, 10.5 or 11. मुझे आज तक याद नहीं है कि बारिश हो रही होगी, कि उनकी तबीयत ख़राब होगी, कि मैं अकेला स्कूल चल के गया. इट वॉज 10 minutes walking distance. He would hold my hand and drop me to school every day. I don't remember a single day he has missed.
Wow.
So for me, that is my standard as a parent, which I'll never meet. You know? But that for me defined my standard. So he was doing that for me. So that became my definition.
Yeah.
So you have to take the definition that works for you.
True.
I could have taken another one.
True.
Right?
True. You know, I have a very fond memory of my grandfather as well. He's still alive with me.
Your maternal grandfather or your
paternal?
दादाजी.
मैं दादू.
हाँ जी.
तो वो हर समर हॉलीडेज में हमें, हर नहीं मतलब आफ्टर 8th 9th के बाद, वो हमें स्विमिंग पूल लेके जाते थे कहीं पे बाहर. ऐसे आई रिमेंबर देवर लाइक किसी आउटस्कर्ट में फार्म्स होते थे जहाँ पे आप 25 रुपये दे के 1 घंटे में स्विम करने जा सकते हो. मेरे उनके अलावा मेरी फैमिली किसी को स्विमिंग नहीं आती थी, तो मुझे नहीं पता कि उनको क्यों ये लगा कि सिखाना बहुत ज़रूरी है. बट ऑल वी लिव इन जॉइंट फैमिली, तो ऑल 4 kids वो लेके जाएंगे, एंड देन बिकॉज आई वाज द एल्डेस्ट सन, वो बोलेंगे कि कूद जा. मतलब मुझे आती नहीं स्विम, नहीं कूद जा. सो उन्होंने रोज इतना पुश किया दैट बिकेम अ मेमोरी, एंड दैट्स व्हाई प्रॉब्ली आई नो स्विमिंग. नहीं तो मुझे कभी आती नहीं, ना मैं कभी सीखने जाता, ना मेरे घर वालों को इम्पोर्टेंस है उसकी, नथिंग. सो इट्स मोर लाइक आई सी दैट एज अ लेसन कि कुछ करना है ना तो कूद जा, हो जाएगा. एंड वो मैं जब भी नई सिचुएशन जाता हूँ, दोज वर्ड्स लाइक जस्ट रिमाइंड मी इट हैपन. एंड वो क्योंकि अपनी स्टोरी बताते हैं, और वो हमेशा ना मेरे पापा और बड़े पापा को ऐसे गालियाँ देते थे कि ये देखिए ऐसे ही रह गए, ये कूदा ही नहीं कभी. मैं कूद गया हमारी गाँव में तो मैं बन गया, तो तू कूदेगा तो बन जाएगा. सो दैट वाज सच अ स्ट्रॉन्ग, दैट हैड सच अ स्ट्रॉन्ग इम्पैक्ट ऑन मी.
It's a lovely memory, bro.
So it just worked out beautifully in my
and
case.
these simplest memories make the deepest impact, isn't it?
Yeah.
Something so simple that he said, na?
Yeah.
And that became like a fundamental kind of part of your personality, right?
True. And that's why
beautiful.
My risk-taking abilities come from there. And it's just so crazy talking about parents and you becoming a father, right? I want to ask one question. I don't know if it's very personal or no. Void feel हुआ?
Yeah, of course.
क्या void feel? क्या लगा कि यार मेरी लाइफ में ये तो मिसिंग है?
यार एक तो क्या होता है ना, जब आप बच्चे बड़े मीन होते हैं यार. यू नो, ये 8-9 साल के बच्चे जो होते हैं ना, बहुत मीन होते हैं. तो उस टाइम पे अगर आपका एक पेरेंट नहीं है तो वो आपको ना ऐसे फील कराते हैं उसके बारे में कि तू नॉर्मल नहीं है, ये बहुत फील कराते थे मुझे
दूसरे बच्चे,
हाँ कराते हैं, उनको पता थोड़ी होता है वो क्या कर रहे हैं, ऐसे करके स्टुपिडिटी करते हैं, बट आपको उस टाइम पे ऐसा लगता है मेरी तो लाइफ खत्म हो गई ऐसा फील होता है. सो डेफिनेटली सोशली आपको फील होता है. इमोशनली क्या हो रहा है वो तो अभी भी डिस्कवर कर रहे हैं. मैं अभी भी डिस्कवर कर रहा हूँ, शायद मेरे परफॉर्मेंसेस, मेरी एक्टिंग में शायद झलकता होगा, बट उस पर फोकस नहीं करना चाहिए, उसको एक्सेप्ट करना चाहिए. फोकस हमेशा उस पर करना चाहिए कि आप किसी रिश्ते को क्या दे सकते हो, और ट्रस्ट करना चाहिए कि अगर जिस इंसान के साथ आपका रिश्ता है वो आपसे बड़ा हो या आपसे छोटा हो, क्या वो अच्छा इंसान है. या तो आप अपने एक्सपीरियंस के हिसाब से उस इंसान को जज करोगे, या आप थोड़ा अपने आप से उठ के थोड़ा ब्रॉडर पर्सपेक्टिव में उस चीज़ को देखोगे और समझने की कोशिश करोगे कि यार ये बंदा अच्छा है या नहीं, और अगर बंदा अच्छा है तो कोई वजह होगी. ये समझना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, और ये चीज़ जो है ना ये मैच्योरिटी के साथ आती है, और ये थोड़ा सा हाइपर रिएक्टिव नहीं होना, सेल्फ ओरिएंटेड नहीं होना, अपने इमोशन को अपने ऊपर हावी करके अपना डिसीजन उस पर बेस नहीं, वैसा नहीं होना चाहिए. Why we love Mahendra Singh Dhoni as the captain? Captain cool.
Yeah.
What does that mean? That means he has the ability to separate himself from the situation and deal with the situation without personally getting attached to it.
True.
Right? I think that's a very difficult thing to do. That's why he's a legendary captain, and we all love him for that, And without knowing, that is what we admire about him.
Yeah.
Maybe knowingly, unknowingly. Why we admire it is because we know we are unable to do it in our own life.
True.
Therefore, he is special because he can do it. हम उसकी जगह होते ना, हमने ना कुछ गंदा सा रिएक्शन दे दिया होता, राइट. सो दैट इज अ ग्रेट क्वालिटी टू ट्राई एंड पुट इनटू योर ओन लाइफ, एंड इट कैन बी रेलेवेंट इन एवरी सिचुएशन इन योर लाइफ.
तो ये तो अब आपका पर्सपेक्टिव बना.
या
बट पहले कभी गुस्सा आता था?
गुस्सा नहीं आता था यार, मुझे ना थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस इश्यूज थे. आई वाज लिटिल अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट,
अबाउट
एंड आई वाज शाई, आई वाज अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट. Socially maybe I would say I didn't know where I stood, because a lot of these things affect your confidence.
Do you feel कि if you had male presence in your life, confidence ज़्यादा होता है?
हाँ, but then I think a lot of who I am as an actor also is because of my circumstances. A lot of my deeper understanding of life, or my need to delve deeper, is because of. So whenever you feel a void, like this is what we're talking about failure, right? So we're circling back to that. That if you look at a void as a void, then you will always feel a void. If you look at it as an opportunity, and if you believe that you can fill it, bro, there is always love in the world.
Yeah.
Eventually, what you're seeking is love. Don't define the source. But you're limiting yourself. Leave the source open. It'll come. I got so much from my grandfather and my grandmother. I got so much more from my mother, my mother's brother. And I'm getting so much more from my father now because we couldn't be there together. You get like, right, so wo hota hai. When is it going to come? How is it going to come? Those are definitions and expectations, right? As we move forward, we realize that if you get limited to it, it will never come. But if you just drop that, it just comes, bro. So
I love the line, forget the source.
Yeah,
forget the source.
We're all hungry for love, brother.
Yeah.
हम सबको प्यार चाहिए. प्यार क्यों चाहिए? Because we want to feel accepted, we want to feel वही चाहिए bro. और क्या चाहिए हमको लाइफ?
कोई बचपन में void होगा, उसको हम fulfill
कोई नहीं दे रहा, अपने आप को दे दो.
हैं.
Genuinely, I started giving myself a lot of love now. पहले मैं नहीं देता था. I used to always feel, मुझे बड़ा interesting conversation होता था. How can you love yourself? I also be like, yeah, I mean, isn't that like you're being so like, what do you call it? Like you're being so like, I don't know, like you think too much of yourself or whatever. Okay,
about you.
Whatever you might say. Oh, but love too, you should give yourself. Why not?
Yeah.
Why not? This is what people loved in Jab We Met. वो गीत says मैं अपनी favorite हूँ. Everybody loved that line, yeah. Oh, I love it, I love it, I love it. What a line, what a line. Do it to yourself. Be your own favorite. What's the problem? Why can't you be?
Yeah.
And I think when you like yourself, you can appreciate others more. I feel when you don't like yourself enough, you find it difficult to appreciate others. I really feel so. I strongly feel that.
Really?
Yes, I feel so. If you're judgmental about yourself, you'll be judgmental about others.
But isn't it maybe sometimes you like other people, but because you like them so much, you start feeling something about yourself and you don't give yourself enough love. Because फिर आप compare करने लग जाते हो. यार ये तो बहुत better है.
Which is what I'm saying. You know, you have to drop that.
So you love others, you're in awe of other people, but खुद के लिए तुम इतने kind नहीं होते हो.
It's an interesting question. Why are you in awe of others? Like, what do you mean?
No, जैसे like sometimes there is a situation. I'll tell you, like now,
Give me an example. So
I'll give you an example. Now I've reached a point in life, I'll tell you personally, right, where I absolutely love myself the way I am. I'm very secure. काफी खुश हूँ मैं, बड़ा discontent हूँ काम के साथ, but बाकी चीज़ों में बहुत secure and you can say point of little self obsession में अपना favorite type idea. But earlier I used to, let's say, for example, I look at you, we are in the same room, I'll look at, यार उसका तो aura कितना मस्त है, ये कितना अच्छा है इंसान है. I'm like, मुझ में तो ये कमी है, right? I'll look at someone's body and be like, ये अच्छा है. कोई अच्छा बोलता है तो यार इसका तो बोल, वो मेरी फील्ड में नहीं है, मुझसे रिलेटेड नहीं है, मुझे कोई लेना देना नहीं है.
we all go through it.
हाँ, like just
I also go through
little comparison. So I'm showering love and looking at only positive sides of other people, but always looking at negative sides of myself.
Yeah.
And that's what I meant.
So that's a way of thinking, right? It's like when you're saying it, it's a loop of thought where you're seeing somebody and putting yourself down. That's a loop. You've gotten yourself in that kind of comparative mindset and thought process, right?
Yeah.
So the fundamental thing is, do you think every humanity is meant to be perfect?
No.
Right? I don't think any of us think like that, right? No. We all know that we are imperfect creatures.
Yeah.
You know, ये prototype है तो इसमें defects हैं. I think when you accept that, na, कि boss, I am a defected piece. I am going to have things that are not going to feel right. If that becomes the ground from which you build upon, then you will allow yourself to improve, knowing that you have issues.
Yeah.
But when you expect something from yourself, which is not in you, by looking at somebody else, you're actually doing yourself a disservice.
Yes.
Right? So I feel that inherently, whatever you focus on or whatever attracts you is what you aspire to be.
True.
So the fact that you aspire to be that is a great thing, right? You're not aspiring to do something really crappy, right? You're aspiring to be something better. So that means you're heading in the right direction. Now don't overcomplicate it, just head there. You know, you admire something, look at them, appreciate it and then say, यार मैं भी करूँगा. मुझसे क्यों नहीं होता? मेरे में क्यों नहीं है? That question is never going to help you move.
True.
It's going to make you feel worse about yourself. मैं भी करूँगा. मुझे भी वैसा बनना है. वो सोचो ना.
No, I agree. I was coming from a point of view.
वो भी तो पैदा वैसे नहीं हुआ होगा ब्रो. वैसा पैदा नहीं हुआ होगा. मैं 20 साल पहले जो कपड़े पहनता था ना, तू हंसेगा मेरे ऊपर. Today everybody says, you know, Shahid's fashion sense is so good, his fashion game and all. And I'm laughing. I'm like, मेरा टाइम था बॉस, मेरे को लोखंडवाला में भी पैसे नहीं थे जाके कपड़े खरीदने. It's 20 years of looking and learning and feeling and absorbing and trying and understanding and finally getting to a place. You know, so it's 20 years.
Yeah.
Walk 20 years, then tell yourself, I don't know why I'm not there. It's a fair question.
Yeah.
Before you start walking, don't ask yourself why you not reached the destination, bro.
No, fair.
It's a long walk. Sachin Tendulkar's cover drive looks so easy, na?
It was
From the age of 3 he started. That's why it looks so easy. Anything that looks easy is not easy.
Talking about being better and feeling better, you're an elder brother, I'm an elder brother. कभी ऐसे फील हुआ है कि मुझे तो है ना रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, एक लीडर बनना है और मैं ही
ये मेरा नेचुरल प्रोटोटाइप बन चुका है ब्रो.
क्या
मुझे अगर कोई बोल देना अभी फॉलो करो या किसी का छोटा भाई बन जाओ, मेरे से होगा ही नहीं.
अब मैं बड़ा भाई बन चुका हूँ.
हाँ, मतलब अभी सेट हो चुका है ये मामला, यू नो. एंड आई एम लाइक वेरी हैप्पीली, यू नो. से बोलते हैं ना, ओपनिंग बैट्समैन को आदत है, वो सामने वाला फर्स्ट बॉल 148-150 किलोमीटर पे डालेगा और मैं फर्स्ट बॉल फेस करूंगा. उसमें एक ट्रिप है. तो मैं अभी वैसा बन गया हूँ ब्रो. I like being a lone ranger. I like doing it on my own. I don't want anybody breaking the headwind on me.
Yeah.
Because then it's not fun anymore. I want that. Bring the headwind. Come on. That's what drives me now.
मैं पंगे लेना पसंद है मुझे.
हाँ, खुद ही करूँगा मैं, और मैं करूँगा और मैं फर्स्ट करूँगा और कोई नहीं और कर रहा है, लेकिन मैं करूँगा और उसी में मजा है, तो मेरे को मजा आता है.
I'm same. मतलब कि मैं फोड़ूंगा.
हाँ बस.
और बट उसके बाद एक और टेंडेंसी है मुझ में, डू यू हैव दैट, कि अगर मुझे पता है कि मेरे भाई को करना है या उसके लिए बेटर होगा, मैं उसके लिए भी मैं ही फोड़ के आऊंगा, मैं बोलूंगा मैं उसके लिए आसान कर दूंगा. आई डोंट नो इफ इट्स गुड और बैड इन लाइफ, बट I try to be and take everything on chest. I'm like, तेरा भाई बैठा है ना, तू टेंशन नहीं ले।
वो रिश्ते पे डिपेंड करता है।
हाँ।
जैसे मेरे भाई और मेरा रिश्ता ऐसा है कि मैं हमेशा उसे आई एम ऑलवेज हियर, बट मैं मतलब उतना ओनरशिप नहीं लेता।
ओके,
तो वो रिश्ते पे है, लेकिन वो जेन्युइनली रिश्ते पे है। कुछ रिश्ते होते हैं जहाँ पे फुल ओनरशिप होती है। आई हैव मोर ऑफ दैट विद माय सन. I feel much more like that with my son. But Ishan is also very much his own independent person, and so is Ruhan. So, they are quite independent. So, I never
do that. जैसे प्रोटेक्टिव फीलिंग नहीं आती?
यार वो तो है ही, वो तो इनहेरेंट है, वो तो रिश्ते के साथ आती है, लेकिन उसको दिखाना मैं अपनी तरफ से चुपचाप मैं दिखाता नहीं उसको, क्योंकि कभी आप दिखाते तो बोलता है यू डोंट डू इट, आई विल डू इट माय सेल्फ।
वो तो सारे छोटे
तो यू वांट, एंड आल्सो दे हैव टू आल्सो हाउ विल दे हैव टू हैव देयर ओन जर्नी, यू नो, उनका हक बनता है। मैं तो उल्टा बोलता हूँ, जा 3 गलती कर, गिरेगा नहीं तो फिर स्ट्रांग कैसे बनेगा? You can, if you keep protecting somebody from falling, they don't become strong. You know, in babies, they don't develop the knee ka bone till the age of 2, because they're going to keep falling and getting up. So that is evolution. Because they fell and fell and fell, their own DNA evolved over time to become such that, so that is evolution. Evolution only comes from mistakes and injury and fall. You just have to break the fall. People who you love, you want to break the fall for them a little bit so that it's minimum impact. Bas utna. But they have to fall.
I am not like this at all. I am for the full family. I'm like,
well, that's nice.
मैं हूं ना, तो मैं पंगे लूंगा दुनिया से, आप बस सेफ रहो, आप टेंशन मत, आपको जो करना है करो, I'll take everything, whether it's
maybe I am the kind of guy also, जिस दिन तू पंगा लेगा ना, मैं भी आ जाऊंगा, साथ में पंगा लेंगे।
अच्छा, you are like that कि भाई ने बोला करने का,
अगर उसको पंगा लेना है तो लेगा ना यार, मैं वो तो मतलब उसका डिसीजन है। मैं आ जाऊंगा साथ में, चल अभी ले लिया तूने डिसीजन, तो भाई है तो अभी खड़े रहेंगे।
हाँ, ऐसे have you stood out for your brother when you know like इसकी गलती है लेकिन तो भी खड़ा होना पड़ा, क्या करूं भाई है?
I must have, I don't know, but I am the first one to call and say तूने ऐसा क्यों किया? I think I fall more in that category.
कोई लड़ाई करी बचपन में भाई?
तीसरे आदमी के सामने तो खड़े ही रहेंगे ना हमेशा, फैमिली फर्स्ट ऑलवेज, लेकिन इंटरनल भी तो 2 लगेंगे ना, क्या कर रहा है पागल टाइप्स, वो तो होना ही चाहिए।
कोई लड़ाई करी है भाई के साथ, लाइक दूसरों से, because of the brother?
Not really. We've not really had any major physical scuffles.
Never in your life? For anything? बचपन में?
निशान साथ में नहीं, ऐसा नहीं हुआ कभी।
नहीं, बट ऐसे
बहुत छोटा है मेरे से, वो 14 साल छोटा है ना मेरे से, सो मे बी वो एज डिफरेंस इतना ज्यादा है। 2 साल का होता है तो एज अ एल्डर ब्रदर आप छोटे भाई के, बट 14 साल इज टू मच, यू नो। तो शायद
me, mine is 3 years younger ना,
so that's still closer, you know,
very close, very
हमारे साथ वैसा कभी नहीं हुआ।
It's like
I have been protective towards him always, but वैसा कभी।
मेरे साथ ऐसा है कि क्योंकि he's 3 years younger and I'm like, and I am the kind of जिसको गुस्सा नहीं आता, जो शांत घर में, and मुझे I have to be strong।
लगता नहीं शांत है तू, अंदर से तेरी आंखों में दिखता है मेरे को। हाँ,
मैंने काफी,
you're an intense guy, but you've kept it very calm.
I'm very intense, but I don't show that in public.
Yeah, good. That's actually very nice.
Like that, my anger comes out in my empty room.
Yeah, I admire that.
Like that.
Yeah, you should be able to hold yourself. Yeah.
And I feel like कि वो, मतलब you are setting wrong example, and I don't, मतलब it's a, मैं ना काउंट रखता हूँ, I don't know why, कि पब्लिक में गुस्सा करना या चिल्लाना, अपने लोगों पे भी, मॉम पे, डैड पे, भाई पे गुस्सा करना, अगर मैंने किया, मैंने लाइफ में 2 बार गुस्सा किया होगा, घर में लड़ाई की होगी, लाइक टिल नाउ, वो मैं काउंट रखता हूँ, क्योंकि मेरे लिए वो बहुत बड़ा, लाइक इट्स अ ब्लैक मार्क ऑन माई लाइफ, दैट आई फील कि कोई गुस्सा करता है तो वो खुद पे कंट्रोल खो देता है, तो तुमको,
That's true. That's true.
and self control is like the highest value for me in life, so that's why I don't do it. हाँ, brother, I would, ऐसा होता है मेरे साथ कि वो कुछ गलती करेगा, या मुझे पता है इसकी गलती है, पर अब क्या करूँ, अब मेरे को सेव करना पड़ेगा इसको। तो आई गो आउट इन द पब्लिक एंड बी लाइक, चलो जिसने इससे पंगे लिए उसकी लगा दो, भले वो सही था बट लगा दो, अब घर आके इसको मोरालिटी का लेक्चर तो बाहर नहीं कर सकता मैं।
That's life, bro. That's life.
And that sometimes make me feel so bad about myself कि यार क्यों कर रहा हूँ।
You have to play both roles in life always ना। बाहर अलग होता है, अंदर अलग होता है, bro, वो तो करना ही पड़ता है।
And I feel, you know, there's a good quote कि Friedrich Nietzsche, he talks about it.
Okay.
कि morality is beyond good and evil. So, and then he defines it later.
Okay,
You
interesting.
only see deep good and deep evil in the people you are deeply connected with. So when you're deeply connected with the people around you, you forget morality in the world. Because उनके लिए तुम सब करने के लिए ready होते हो. And I find it fucked up, but I find it true.
It's human nature to do that, yes, I agree. And it's probably the most complicated situation to be in.
Yeah.
And only when you're in it, you'll know where you stand, I think. It's very easy to comment on it. But when you're in it, I think that's the only time you'll know who you are.
True. You're a leader, lone ranger, elder brother, आपने बोला. Right? Have you learned something from your younger brother?
Lot of things.
जैसे pinpoint one.
I think his food habits and his dedication to fitness is way above me. I think his cinematic mind is very intellectual and very, very pure. And he really sticks to what he likes and what he doesn't like. Usko hilana bada mushkil hai. I actually admire that. It irritates me because I try to tell him कि यार chill करना है यार, don't get so. But I really admire that about him.
Strong-headed.
I admire the fact that he holds on to what he believes in, and I really believe at some point it will pay off for him in a big way. You know, he's not always shifting according to the wind. You know, अभी ये हवा इधर चल रही तो ऐसे हो जाए, नहीं है वैसा वो. उसके लिए हिलना बहुत मुश्किल है. You know, and I admire that about him. Then I feel that he is, you know, I think he gives more time to my mother than I give. So I really admire that about him. He gives more time to mom. You know, because I have family, children, work. I'm now at a different stage. So, you know, I have seen that he gives her a lot of time. Now he's also getting quite busy, but he has given her a lot of time, and I really appreciate that. Him and Meera have a lovely equation. So I love that about their relationship. I find that he's very adventurous. So I love that streak in him. He's more adventurous than I am. So there's so many things, bro.
And you're a father now, right? Like you're...
Yeah.
Tell me ideal parenting क्या होती है for you?
No, sorry. Anybody who says they know, बंदा फंसने वाला है. There are no rules to this game, भाई. हर इंसान का बच्चा अलग होता है और हर इंसान के सर्कमस्टांसेस अलग होते हैं.
What is it?
और उसका खुद का बिहेवियर भी अलग होता है. और ये तीन चीजों का जो होता है ना, have you heard about the 3-body problem?
No. Tell me, explain.
You should look it up.
Okay.
No, it's a mathematical calculation thing that they can never, when they involve 3 different moving objects, they're never able to understand mathematics. वो होता है, वो तो देख लेना, मैं खराब explain करूँगा. It's quite interesting. The 3-body problem. तो ना parenting का भी ऐसा ही होता है. बाप कैसा है, मम्मा कैसी है, और बच्चा कैसा है और सिचुएशन क्या है. ये 4 चीजों के बीच में ना ब्रो, देयर आर नो रूल्स. The first thing is balance, and I think that should be achieved between 2 parents. The beauty is that there are 2, so if one is going to be a little stronger, one can be a little softer, so the child understands both aspects of life, because they will face that when they go outside in the world. So my fundamental of parenting is that, you know, when you send kids for gymnastics, they have all this little protection, you know. So if they fall, they don't hurt themselves so badly.
Yeah.
So I feel that our role as parents is to allow them to fall softly and make every mistake without getting the major punishment for it within their home, around the people who love them the most. But if I completely shut down the fact that they can fall only, then when they go out in the world, they won't be able to deal with anything.
Very difficult.
And if I am too hard on them, then they will already be complex even before they can go discover the world, right? So I think it's about allowing them to find themselves, make their mistakes, teach them what is good and bad behavior, what is right and wrong, help them understand the value of things, give them a strong moral code which builds character in them, and give them unconditional love and support. You know, I think those are very strong building blocks, and let them know that what their circumstances are not earned by them. They are provided by their parents. They have to earn their circumstances in life. They should not think that what they have is what they have earned. What they have is given to them by their parents.
You want
their
them to
sense
feel
of
that?
achievement should not be from what I have done. Their sense of achievement should be from what they do in life.
But will you be one of those parents जो एक्स्ट्रा प्रोवाइड करते हो कि मेरा जो कुछ है वो सब तुम्हारा है?
मेरे प्यार बहुत ज्यादा है मेरे अंदर, मेरा वो प्रॉब्लम है, बट आई हैव टू कीप टेलिंग माई सेल्फ कि ज्यादा सॉफ्ट मत करो. क्योंकि वो देख, ऑनेस्टली मुझे पता है, लेट मी बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, थोड़ा प्रिविलेज तो है मेरे बच्चों के पास, क्योंकि मैं अपने चाइल्डहुड से कंपेयर कर सकता हूँ ब्रो, यू नो. तो आई एम लाइक प्रिविलेज तो है. Awareness of privilege, being thankful and having gratitude for what you have, and the inherent desire to do something on your own and earn something which is yours and has nothing to do with your parents. These things are very important.
और ये कैसे करोगे, उनमें कैसे
क्या
instill
मालूम
कर
ब्रो, ट्राई कर रहे हैं. ट्राई कर रहे हैं, but I think if these things are like strongly embedded in you as a parent, opportunities will come, moments will come, and it will happen, because everything is driven by intent. If your intent is deeply there for something, it happens.
You're the harsh parent or the soft one?
I'm the soft
Between you
one.
and Meera, like who are?
I'm the
You're
soft
soft one. She's the strict one.
Yeah, it suits her more.
Wait,
No, actually, it's this way. Let me put it this way. I'm a very strong personality. If I become the strong parent, children will not be able to handle it. She's a softer personality. So for her, when she's strong, the intensity of that is not so much. If I get strong, they might find it too intimidating to deal with. That's what I feel as a parent instinctively. Because if I've ever tried to be a little stern, they can't handle it. So I feel it's because overall it's too overbearing for them. So I have to not play that role.
Interesting. That your character should not come out.
That would really not be good, bro.
But tell me कि first kid and second kid, okay?
Yeah.
ऐसे क्या सीखा first child के बाद जो second वाले में implement किया?
यार दोनों बहुत अलग हैं. First of all, both my kids are very different from each other, and my children are little typical. Nisha is a little more typical girl and Zain is a little typical boy. So the differences are there in both of them.
जैसे क्या? Give me one trait. Typical girl, typical guy, boy.
He needs to be told his boundaries. She needs to be allowed and made to feel like she can do more. She has her own internal meter and he just wants to explore every possibility. तो
It's
बेटा रुक जा, बस बेटा रुक जा, ऐसा करना पड़ता है उसके बाद बहुत सारा, you know.
As kids like that, or like 8 years old, right?
8 and 6.
8 and 6,
Zen
right?
6,
So itni young age में you can like identify these traits?
Arey, bro, you can identify in the first 6 months.
Like an internal meter kind of trait?
Yeah, bro, they will tell you. If you observe, they will tell you everything. We should observe as parents. Observe before dictating. You know, observe. ये है क्या?
But did you go through that phase where you were like a Google parent or be like कि मैं parenting की books पढ़ता हूँ, classes जाता हूँ, मम्मी पापा से सीखता हूँ?
नहीं, I would love, actually क्या है, little bit तो I parented myself also. I had that kind of a life at a young age. And I started working very early and I started living on my own since I was 21. So a lot of parenting I did for myself, a lot of questions I asked myself at a very early age. So all that was already in my system. You know, but that has had to evolve and shift because as circumstances change, your circumstances are different from your parents and your children's circumstances are different from your circumstances. But certain things you learn in life and they stay with you, right? So you want to inculcate them in your children, you know. So for me, like having value for things is a very big one. And I think having a deeper understanding of things, I think is also very important. Because aajkal kids are drawn very much towards trivial things, you know. They're talking about, oh, Mbappe got, how much was his contract for, what cars they have. Yeah. So I'll try and tell them what, say, a Ronaldo or Messi struggle was, because they love, like my son, for example, loves footballers, right? So everything's so I'm like, I try and let them know how they were and they went through poverty and how hard they had to work and all that, right? So they have context. If you don't have context to success, then success just looks very easy. But when you understand the struggle behind it, then you understand why somebody is where they are, right? So I try and do that. Bro, I think we're all trying as parents.
Okay, tell me one trait about you. Okay. जो you want कि आपके बच्चे भी सीखें.
One trait about me
that you want your kids to learn.
Always do the right thing. I always try and do the right thing. Whether I am liking it, whether it's somebody else is not liking it, whether it is damaging to me.
Doesn't matter.
I'll do the right thing.
Okay. Yeah. And one thing जो नहीं चाहते हो आप में से जो बच्चे सीखें.
काफी सारी चीजें हैं.
जैसे
I would want them to be less. I want them to be more confident inherently, which I think they both are. I wasn't inherently that confident. Ideally, I wouldn't want them to do my job. Picture में मत आना यार.
क्यों?
कुछ और कर. अरे यार बहुत up and down होता है यार, बहुत rough है. So as a parent, you wouldn't wish it upon your own child, but if they want to, then that's their choice. But I would be like यार कुछ थोड़ा simple choose कर लेना यार, ये बहुत complex है, बहुत up down होता है. लोगों के characters break हो जाते हैं. मतलब people can really break down and fall apart, you know. What else? There's so many things about me that I maybe, you know, there are a lot of things that, let me put it this way, I would prefer if certain things they have more from Meera than from me. You know, like Meera has a very structured way of thinking. I really like that about her. She's very clear and sorted. She doesn't get easily affected in situations. So those things I would prefer they get from their mom. You know, I'm a little more emotional. I am emotionally reactive.
Okay.
So I would get emotionally affected by something. You know, even though I know it might not be good for me to get emotionally affected, I could. You know, Meera is better with that. So I would want them to have those qualities.
जैसे आपका trigger meter कम है क्या? Like you get triggered easily?
No, it's not. You'll never know when I'm triggered. But I know I'm triggered. Yeah.
Meaning? मतलब
You
बाहर
won't know.
you won't-
I might not make it apparent to somebody else.
Okay.
That is self-control. But if something is triggering you, some people just
Okay.
don't get triggered. They don't let it affect them. You know, and I think that's nice in certain areas in life. It's nice.
It triggers, but you won't show. So you're halfway there. Because you're talking about your wife, I wanted to know this always. And I actually like asking this question to almost everyone I've met in life. Okay, what's your idea of a perfect marriage now?
It's a dangerous term. We should avoid using it.
Okay.
It usually leads to disappointment. Perfect marriage.
Okay.
There is nothing perfect. Okay? A good marriage, a healthy marriage, first of all, is a marriage where you know there's nothing called perfect marriage. Rule number 1. It is a ongoing journey of understanding, acceptance, and mutual respect. I think those things are very important. If I can worry about what matters to you, and you can worry about what matters to me, it's a healthy marriage. If I am trying to focus on what matters to me and let you know what matters to me, and you are trying to let me know what matters to you, it is a recipe for disaster. And I've tried both. You know, I think the first thing in a marriage is you have to accept that we are not on the same track. We are on separate tracks, choosing to move forward together. So there is a sense of individuality. You know, your shared life experience cannot take away from your individual life experience. It has to add to that. And at times you have to be able to give space to the other person to sense, feel, explore their individuality. Even though you might be needy at that time, because it might not, that synergy of doing it at the same time might not happen.
True.
Person might be needy, wanting the other person around all the time, and that person might have the need to find something within themselves or in their own journey. I think that's where the problems happen. So that mutual respect has to be there. You know, of giving each other the space and the comfort when required, or being there when you really feel the other person really needs you. You have to let go of your individual needs and be there for them if you feel they're really vulnerable. You know, and that person has to recognize that I can't always be dependent, and give space to the other person when they need, and both ways, right? That needs to happen both ways. In my marriage, because Meera is younger than me by a bit, you know, like, so our journeys in life are at different stages right now. So I think recognizing first your individuality as people, and then recognizing how each of us is in a different phase and allowing each other to do what we need to do. I think that is a very big part of our marriage. And I think also segmenting who vetoes what. I think that's very important. You need to sit down and tell yourself, we both have an opinion on these areas, but this area I have a veto, in this area you have a veto.
Give me an example of one more.
Something stupid, yeah. Like if Meera is traveling and I am at home and one of the kids is unwell, eventually it's her decision. Eventually. Because she has spent more time taking care of them, because I have, in the first, say, 7-8 years of this marriage, I have worked more. Now Meera started working a lot more. So she has so much more information. She's on top of that aspect of the children, right? So on that given day, if I happen to be there, doesn't mean I get veto. You know, we still have to communicate, but like she takes the decision, I would say. Eventually she'd be like, Shayad, I think we should do this, right? Like that.
Okay.
Or like, if it's like cars,
It's your
I take the decision, regardless of whether even if it's her car. Like, no, Meera, this is how we need to do this. It's my veto. Like small things like that, and then of course bigger things in life.
So you like sit down and make a list, or it just happens?
Learn. You have to learn. Like it's not like we got it right the first time. We've gone through our share of no, and all that, you know. And then eventually you realize that nahi yaar, जो जिसका department है उसको संभाल ले दो. You know, keep it simple.
You know, this morning I read something very interesting. Because I was trying to find like facts on couples and relationships and everything, just out of curiosity. I don't know how true that is, but मैंने just एक article पढ़ा which says there was a study done about emotional maturity, which says men fully gets emotionally matured at the age of 43.
I'm 43, mate.
And women get it at 32. So
Meera still has little time. Meera, whenever you watch this.
So it was interesting to understand how when and उसके वो बहुत बड़ा article था. So I just, because you said that you were 43, तो मेरे को एकदम से click हुआ and we were talking about couples, so I just spoke about it.
But I'm ahead, right? So I got there like 5 years back.
Because of
I always get
the way you're child.
I always get there faster. These kind of parameters, I always hit them faster.
Because
I'm ahead of my time.
Because
I don't
the
know,
way you have been. How important it is for you now at this age of your career, stage of your career, to always look good, always be at a certain style, sense.
एक चीज मैंने लाइफ में रियलाइज की है, एक होती है आपकी इंडिविजुअल जर्नी कि आपको पर्सनली सेल्फिशली क्या अचीव करना है लाइफ में, आपका अपना विजन, आपकी अपनी एक जर्नी होती है. और एक होता है how do you do something that is beyond you and it's for a larger purpose, right? And that is what you represent in life. And that starts with behavior. It starts with actions. It starts with the smallest things in life. कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया तो विलय से अरे यार सब गड़बड़ हो गया. Or do I want to stand for the guy who stand up से क्या गड़बड़ा fix कर लेते हैं. In that, do you want to stand up and say क्या गड़बड़ हो गया है मैं fix करता हूँ, or do you want to be like guys just chill, we'll fix it, sit down, let's talk about it. Every little action that you take in life represents something larger than just you. And as you grow older, if you realize that there are two types of people in the world basically, you know, so you have to decide which version you are. Are you the one who is the boja on the world? कि आपके रिएक्शन की वजह से सबको आपको झेलना पड़ता है?
Yeah.
Or you are the person who's making the world a slightly lighter place by taking people's load off. You know, that's a fundamental thing you have to know. If you remind yourself that every day, na bro, you'll represent and stand for the right things.
I believe in what you're saying, but just for the sake of debate, let me just counter it.
Please.
मतलब, so it's like, ऐसे नहीं होता क्योंकि अगर आप दिन भर बस ये सोच रहे हो या रोज ये सोच रहे हो, रोज ये डिस्कशन कर रहे हो कि मुझे दूसरों की लाइफ से या आसपास जो मेरे वेट है उसको हेल्प करना, लिफ्ट करने में, then you're forgetting yourself. आप एक अपने ऊपर अनरियलिस्टिक एक्सपेक्टेशन डाल रहे हो कि मुझे दूसरों की ही हेल्प करना है, देन इन दिस प्रोसेस यू कीप फॉरगेटिंग योरसेल्फ.
It's not doing like that, bro. I mean in terms of energy. It's what energy you put out. There's essentially positive and negative energy. There's nothing beyond that.
So
right?
जैसे you said something, I'm cutting you here, but I'm
Please
want to complete it. कि एक तो आपकी खुद की इंडिविजुअल जर्नी है कि आपके विजन है, आपका मिशन है, आपको कहाँ जाना है. समटाइम्स वहाँ जाने के लिए you have to be strong-headed and you have to be you.
Yeah.
उसका मतलब
ना मेरे से ना 10 साल पहले अपनी जर्नी में, like मैं exactly यहीं था 10 साल पहले जहाँ तू है अभी. So I completely understand तू क्या बोल रहा है. By that I don't mean I am wrong, you are right, you are wrong. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying I've gone through this phase, so I understand what you're saying. I'm in a different phase, but I understand what you're saying.
So you understand that?
Yes, because it's very important also to know what are the kind of energy suckers in your life.
Sometimes you're just being you and you're right and you want to do it, right? And you're doing with good intention और आप आपकी जर्नी पे. But that can mean कि आपके आसपास के लोगों पे आप थोड़ा भारी पड़ रहे हो या वो उनसे डिस्टेंस हो रहे हो या उनका एक पार्ट हो रहे हो.
वो नहीं होना चाहिए.
तो कैसे
you cannot pressure other people because of your, they have to be a part of that journey with you. If they have also packed their bags and said we are on this journey together, अपन भी तेरे साथ है, जैसे मेरी एक टीम है
हाँ
तो हम कोलैबोरेट कर रहे हैं ना,
हाँ
जैसे तेरी एक टीम है, अभी तेरे 3-4 लोग तेरे साथ आते हैं, अगर रोज जब ये काम पे आते हैं ना, इन्हें लगता है कि तेरे डिजायर्स की वजह से उन पे प्रेशर है तो तू फेल हो रहा है, लेकिन अगर उन्हें ऐसा लगता है ना कि तेरे साथ उन्हें काम करने में बड़ा मजा आता है और उनकी लाइफ बड़ी अच्छी चल रही है क्योंकि उन्होंने ये जॉब किया, तो तू यू नो यू आर सक्सीडिंग।
professionally it's easy to do.
इट्स इवन पर्सनली यार,
Personally, okay, so I'll tell you personally, for example, मैं मतलब मेरी पर्सनल लाइफ से नहीं बोल रहा
तू
क्योंकि
अकेले रहता है कि तू फैमिली के साथ रहता है?
अभी अकेले रहता हूँ।
अभी अकेले रहता है,
पहले फैमिली के साथ रहता
तो ये फीलिंग तुझे अभी भी आती है विद रिगार्ड टू
मुझे
पर्सनल
नहीं आती, मैं तो एक डिबेट के लिए क्वेश्चन
debate
पूछ
के
रहा
लिए,
हूँ कि इट्स बिकॉज मेरे बहुत सारे फ्रेंड हैं, आई हैव बीन ब्लेस्ड कि मेरी फैमिली बहुत सपोर्टिव रही है, एंड आई एम नॉट जस्ट सेइंग दिस फॉर द सेक ऑफ सेइंग, आई हैव सेड दिस ओवर एंड ओवर। जब मैं कुछ नहीं अचीव किया था तब भी वो बहुत they've been supportive throughout, at least professionally everybody has been like I've been lucky, crazy, okay, but I have friends in life जो पहले ambitious नहीं थे और पहले वो strong headed नहीं थे, पहले उनका कोई मिशन नहीं था, वो ऐसे ही थे कि ठीक है क्या है पापा मम्मी ने जो दे दिया, right? अब all of a sudden उनकी लाइफ में मे बी बिकॉज ऑफ द स्किल्स, मे बी ऑफ देयर अंडरस्टैंडिंग, उनको एक पर्पस मिल गया और काम करते हैं और वो बहुत काम करने लग जाते हैं, और उस सब के चक्कर में ना they started missing out on family gatherings, family, उसकी गर्लफ्रेंड या उसकी पार्टनर जो है वो अलग सोचती है, ये अलग सोचता है, so just because he is being himself, the family is getting affected because they feel यार वो हमारे साथ फिट ही नहीं हो पा रहा है और उनके लिए वो डिफिकल्ट होता है, so you're being weight on these people,
but those are choices,
so
all you have in life is your focus. Whatever you focus on is your reality.
And what's right? What's a right way
if
of
you choose
doing
to focus on something and not focus on something else, then you have to be okay with the repercussions of that, no? You have to be okay with that. And you have to understand that. It's not like you're being the same way with one person and suddenly they are behaving differently. That is something I can understand if you don't understand how to... There might be subtler layers to that which maybe you've not understood.
True.
You know? But if your attitude, focus, time, attention has changed from how it was and somebody is feeling affected by that, if they weren't feeling affected by that, that meant they never gave a shit about you. If they are getting affected by that, that means they love you so much that they miss you. And you have to mitigate that situation. You cannot blame them for feeling like that. Because if you blame them, then you're not acknowledging their inherent feeling.
What should somebody in this journey
You have to mitigate it. You have to handle it sensitively. If you give them sensitivity and if you tell them, please be sensitive towards me, I really need to do this and I'll do my best to give you what I can. If you take that approach, I'm sure it will help you deal with the situation better than saying, ये लोग तो समझ नहीं रहे हैं, मैं अपनी लाइफ में अपना... You are being selfish actually because you're looking at it like that. If they didn't give a shit, bro, like, हाँ तू करना अपना, मैनू की फर्क पैंदा है. You know, they give a shit. If you see it like that.
Very difficult for like at that situation, बहुत लोगों के लिए बहुत difficult होता है.
मुश्किल होता है बट सच तो वही है ना ब्रो.
हाँ, I've met people अच्छी लग जाती है. Like I know so many hardworking good people वो आधे लोग selfish हो गए तो उनकी relationships खराब हो गई और आधे लोग guilty हो गए तो वो दोनों जगह perform नहीं कर पाते. कि पर्सनल रिलेशनशिप में भी दे आर ऑलवेज फीलिंग कि ओ मैं काम पे ऐसा कर लेता, काम पे दे आर कॉन्स्टेंटली फीलिंग कि ओ मैं घर में ऐसा कर लेता.
It's tough. I understand.
It's goddamn tough. So I've been blessed. So मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा हुआ.
Best. यार देखना जैसे जैसे I have gotten older, I have realized I have no time for myself. मेरे को तो ये फील होता है मेरे पास अपने लिए टाइम ही नहीं है. मेरे को ऐसे कॉन्स्टेंटली फील होता है.
क्यों?
क्योंकि नहीं है ब्रो. क्या होता है when your plate is full, when there are so many things. When I was 17-18 years old, I was independent. ना मैं lone ranger true sense में था. अभी you know, you're a father also, you're a son also. You're a husband also. You're an actor also. You're a professional also. You know, you have friends who you have cultivated friendships with over a decade. So all these relationships are there. And these are things that you have nurtured over time. So they all want your time.
Yeah.
Where is time for yourself? So that is a natural feeling. It happens, and somehow you have to learn to make your priorities and be happy with your priorities. Don't expect something you're not prioritizing to give you priority. That is not right. You cannot be somebody's priority if they are not your priority.
I agree. I feel the same way.
Yeah.
Exactly. खुद के लिए time ही नहीं है.
I don't feel time here.
क्योंकि प्लेट इतनी फुल है, टीम को भी टाइम देना है, फैमिली को भी टाइम देना है, पार्टनर्स को भी टाइम देना है, लाइक हर जगह टाइम देना है.
Yeah.
एंड आई एक्चुअली लाइक इट दैट वे. कभी कभार ऐसा होता है मोमेंट ऑफ कि यार आज मेरे को नहीं बात करनी किसी से, बट देन within an hour I'll be like, no, I love and cherish that more than
I try to
doing
find
anything
small
else.
windows, bro. Like I try to find small windows where I can step away, maybe for 2 days, 3 days,
Alone.
on my own.
कहाँ जाते हो?
Anywhere. Like even if I get time at home, I'd be happy to. As far as if I get 2-3 hours in the day free for myself, I would be happy. I don't need more than that. Once in 2-3 months, if I get 2 or 3 days where I'm just on my own with myself, I really like that. That helps me kind of decompress.
What's your life away from work?
Like everybody else, bro.
Do you play sport? Do you like, what's your unwinding time?
No, actually, I listen to a lot of music. I like to train. I like to work out. I like to ride. So whenever I get a chance, I like to ride motorcycles.
Yeah.
I like to dance. So like to go out.
मतलब ये सब तो बहुत evident है. ये बताओ which we don't do.
नहीं यही है bro. यही मेरा बड़ा simple life है bro. इससे ज़्यादा इसके कुछ ज़्यादा.
You don't play any sport.
I like to keep it very simple. I play once in a while cricket, pickleball, those kind of things I play.
But not
regular,
like a big
nothing. I've not had time to even do a sport very regularly.
Yeah.
If I had the time, maybe I would, but I've honestly not had the time. Cricket is the number one sport for me. If I would pick one, I would pick cricket for sure. Yeah.
That's majority of us.
Yeah.
In living in India.
And now a lot of people like football, right? Like all the younger kids, they like football. Fully into football.
Global, yeah.
Yeah.
Now also like a lot of older guys are liking pickleball.
Yeah. What do you mean older guys?
But मेरे लिए डाउन टाइम इज लॉन्डो के साथ बकचोदी करना. जब एंड वो मुझसे बहुत कम हो गया, लाइक 3-4 महीने में एक बार होता है. पर जब भी हम लाइक स्ट्रेस ना रैंडम, या तो मैं मेरे कॉलेज फ्रेंड्स के साथ, या जो नए दोस्त बने, या वर्क फ्रेंड्स की वजह से जो कुछ बन गया, जस्ट सिटिंग विद देम इज लाइक मोर देन थेरेपी. इट्स जस्ट आई डोंट नो व्हाट inside you.
Good now, bro. Whatever works. With everybody is different.
Do you have friends? Do you have these things?
No, I don't have any friends.
No, I don't know.
What kind of question is that? Do you have friends? है तेरे एक दो दोस्त? अरे है ना bro.
Lone Ranger, अकेला रहता हूँ, 2 दिन मुझे अकेले जाना है, तो इसलिए पूछ रहा हूँ.
नहीं, of course I have friends. यार ऐसा नहीं है. I do like lone time though. Like I am the kind of person who likes having time on my own. Maybe more than a lot of boys who like to have boys around. Like Ishan also is more that he has his 4-5 boyfriends and he like hangs with them a lot and all whatever. That phase of my life has kind of gone. So a lot of my friends are also now common friends, like mine and Mira's friends. So like that has become common. A lot of my friends actually became her friends after we got married, because वो दिल्ली से आई थी. तो she didn't have any friends out here. तो सबसे पहले मेरे ही दोस्त उसके दोस्त बन गए. So I lost my friends. जो मेरे इंडिविजुअल दोस्त थे, अब उनकी भी प्रायोरिटीज जो है ना वो हो गई है, क्या कहते हैं, मिक्स अप हो चुकी हैं. I never have somebody who's just unconditionally on my side. वैसा कोई नहीं बचा है. Neither my parents, neither my friends, कोई नहीं बचा है. I have to share that with her. So now अभी मैंने रिवर्स साइकोलॉजी स्टार्ट कर दी. अभी मैं उसकी फैमिली को
अच्छा अपने साइड करने की
इमोशनली अपनी तरफ लाने की ट्राई कर रहा हूँ. तो आई एम वर्किंग ऑन her elder sister.
Is it working out?
She likes me now.
अच्छा.
I've worked on her dad and mom. Dad, I think I'll always lose because she's his favorite, but her mom I think likes me a lot. So I think she will definitely bat for me if ever I need. She will bat for me equally, I would say.
Team बढ़ते जा रही है. Your side of team is getting better.
But हाँ, of course I have friends. I don't have so many friends. मेरे 3-4 दोस्त हैं जिनको मैं कई सालों से जानता हूँ और हम हैंग करते हैं, हफ्ते में 1-2 बार मिलते हैं, चिल करते हैं, बट साथ में वक्त बिताते हैं. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि वो वक्त में मेरे even the kids are there and Mira's there, so it's very like that kind of scene.
I want to talk about your characters again, like go a little there, and I'll circle this conversation there in post, because you have played a lot of characters. बहुत hurt characters हैं.
Yeah.
Right? Hurt, heartbroken.
Yeah.
There's some dark side to it.
Yeah.
Have you कभी ऐसा heartbreak हुआ आपको बहुत strong, intense?
Of course यार, कितने सारे हुए हैं. एक बार
Something
थोड़ी
which
हुआ है.
changed you.
हाँ?
Something which changed you.
All of them changed me. I think all of them changed me in some way.
What do you go through?
What do you go through? We all know what it feels like, bro.
But you tell me, everybody experiences it in a very different way.
Well, sometimes when your heart breaks, like you said, you feel you're not good enough, obviously, and ये बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग होता है ना हार्ट ब्रेक में कि आप किसी से इतना प्यार करते हो कि आप जब वो आपको रिजेक्ट कर देते हैं तो आप उनके पीछे भागते हो टू अ डिग्री जहां आपकी अपनी डिग्निटी टूट जाती है, आप अपनी डिग्निटी सैक्रिफाइस कर देते हो और आपको रियलाइज भी नहीं होता कि अब नाउ यू हैव लॉस्ट योर सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट इन द प्रोसेस, यू नो। और वो रियलाइजेशन बड़े साल बाद होता है कि यार मैं
क्या कर रहा था
यार, मतलब आई वुड टेल माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड कि ब्रो जस्ट होल्ड ऑन टू योर डिग्निटी, ऐसे मत कर, यू नो। तो वो आई थिंक सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ है ना प्यार के बारे में, कि यू कैन लूज योर ओन सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट इन लव, और वो होता है बिकॉज योर बिहेवियर कैन बी लाइक दैट, राइट? So of course you go through that also, and of course you listen to the best heartbreak songs, you know, and then you make some called Bekhayali. So वो भी होता है, तो या वो होता है, but it's an evolutionary process ना यार, it's helping you. These are the moments where you decide who you want to become. And if it hasn't helped you decide who you want to become, then you've wasted the opportunity, bro. Or, you know, you've not gotten anything good out of it, you know.
So you got out of heartbreak?
You know, you learn to understand what मतलब आप किस तरह के इंसान को झेल सकते हो, ये ना दिल टूटने के बाद ही समझ में आता है। ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है समझना, क्योंकि आपको किसी से प्यार हो जाए वो अलग चीज़ है, बट वो इंसान आपके अंदर के अच्छे इंसान को बाहर निकाल रहा है या बुरे इंसान को खरीद रहा है, वो समझो आप, क्योंकि इवेंचुअली आपको अपने साथ जीना है। और जब भी आप किसी रिश्ते में होते हो ना, आई फील मुझे जो प्यार ने सिखाया, यही सिखाया कि आई शुड नॉट बी नीडी ऑफ समथिंग फ्रॉम द अदर पर्सन, दैट्स व्हाई आई वांट द रिलेशनशिप। दैट इज अ वेरी सेल्फिश रीजन टू वांट टू फाइंड लव. I am needy. I need to be comforted. I need to be made to feel like I'm so important that I can't see beyond. This person can't. ये सब selfish चीजें हैं यार. You know, so those things should not be fundamental. वो होती हैं. We all want to that love and attention, but that cannot be. That should not. Eventually, you should be able to give in a relationship. You should be able to be the giver. It's very important to. You know,
पर दोनों अगर गिवर हो तो फिर how does it work?
Yeah, that's lovely, right? That's beautiful, because you're not forcing somebody to give you something. They are giving it out of their own will and desire. It's coming from them to you. You're not asking it from them. वो क्या, जब आप मांगने लगते हो ना, वहीं पे रिलेशनशिप्स मुझे लगता है बिगड़ने भी लगती हैं, जब सामने वाले को प्रेशर फील होने लगता है और आपको रियलाइज नहीं होता है कि आप मांग रहे हो, उससे प्रेशर क्रिएट हो रहा है। आपको लगता है आपका हक है, अगर आपका हक होता तो वो आ जाता ना। और अगर नहीं आ रहा तो वो बंदा शायद आपके लिए सही नहीं है, या आप उस बंदे के लिए सही नहीं हो, ऐसे भी सोच सकते हो ना।
और ये रियलाइजेशन यू गॉट आफ्टर हार्ट ब्रेक?
ऑफ कोर्स ना, जब सब सही चल रहा होता है थोड़ी रियलाइज होता है ब्रो, जब बैलेंस बिगड़ता है तभी तो रियलाइज होता है ना।
तो मूव ऑन कैसे करते हो? व्हाट इज द पॉइंट वेयर यू फील लाइक कि ओके, अब मैंने रियलाइज कर लिया है कि दिस वाज बैड फॉर मी, बिकॉज अभी मेरा हार्ट ब्रेक हुआ, मैं अपनी डिग्निटी खो रहा हूँ, मैं अपनी सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट खो रहा हूँ।
ब्रो मैंने तो अरेंज मैरिज कर ली ब्रो, तो मेरा तो पूरा सेटअप ही चेंज हो गया। सो यू नो, विद दैट कम्स अ फंडामेंटल डिग्निटी ऑफ knowing that you don't know each other very well, and so you have to take every step with that respect of wanting to understand the other person and what they would like, what they would not like. When you're in a relationship, sometimes you assume that you understand things about the other person, but as you go deeper into the relationship, your assumption gets broken, and sometimes that breaking of that assumption, you think that they have changed, but you're probably just tapping into a deeper layer of that person which you hadn't reached yet, because you think you love them, so you think you know them completely.
Yeah.
But that's not how it is.
But do you lose trust after that? Can you trust people easily?
If you are able to trust yourself, you don't need to worry about trusting people. If your read on people is wrong, then you need to ask yourself, can I trust my own read? I think it's more, you know what I'm saying?
But then
it's your read that goes wrong.
It's always your read which goes wrong.
Yeah.
So how build कैसे होता है? Because forget
पता नहीं, तो मेरे से ऐसे पूछे से पता नहीं क्या हो,
क्योंकि कुछ पता है।
I'm also figuring, bro. I mean, this is all things you.
But let's take this instinct and this incident of trusting people to your work life.
Yeah.
Right. You have trusted people very early on in your life.
Like, what do you mean?
Like, आपका faith on directors who were new
Yeah.
was strong.
Yeah.
Like people who were not like super mega star directors,
Yeah.
and you trusted
Like
them
who?
with you.
Like
Like in
who?
the beginning, like let's say Jab We Met mein,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Imtiaz sir was not
Yeah. He had
as
done
big
Socha
as
Rata.
like
He
right
had-
the,
yeah,
the way
true.
he is today,
Yeah.
right? In Bollywood, when Kabir Singh happened, right?
Yeah.
He also didn't make like it very big.
Yeah, it was his
So you've
debut in Hindi. Yeah.
trusted with Deva.
Yes.
It's your debut Hindi.
Yes.
तो सब पे आपने ट्रस्ट किया आगे बढ़ के.
Yeah.
So there is something which you must have read.
I
How
actually,
do you put
it-
faith on people?
because I loved their work. You know, so you have to, either you can put your money on talent or you can put your money on somebody who has achieved success. So, you know, it's the difference between buying a stock that you think is going to grow tomorrow, like being an angel investor
Huh.
and buying in the story, or just going and buying a stock that you know has been performing consistently
Yeah.
or is high right now, right? I mean, it's kind of like that. And for me, I have always admired craft, talent, you know, ability. And these filmmakers made me feel like if I work with them, it would benefit me greatly. Like it would be great to collaborate with them, whether or not they have been established or not. So it was not like a lot of people take that, you know, see, after a film is a super hit, na, every actor lines up to be with that director. You know, wo to normal hai.
हाँ.
But when I started out as an actor, I always wanted somebody to believe in my talent before I had found success. कि जब तक आप मेरे talent में believe नहीं करोगे, मैं success पाऊंगा कैसे? कोई मौका देगा तो ही तो success पाऊंगा. You know, so the filmmakers that you're talking about, whether it is an Imtiaz, who has then become an iconic filmmaker in Indian cinema and has given people amazing movies, it was probably a great opportunity for me to collaborate with him. And Jab We Met is in my filmography, right? Or whether you talk about Sandeep, who made Kabir Singh. When I saw Arjun Reddy, I absolutely loved it. I wish we would have done something original also together. But it just happened at that time that that film was up to be remade. That's how I ended up seeing it. And then I said, yes, I would love to work with him. And he was open to doing it as a remake. So it played out like that. But many times we've discussed that maybe it would have been more liberating and more free to not do a remake and do something that was original. Because eventually the energies of collaborators, of creators should you know, they should
Match.
match.
Sync
वो हो
properly.
जाता है ना, then something amazing comes out. You know, and I think it's a privilege that I got to work with him. I mean, look at the kind of work that he's doing. He's again an iconic filmmaker, highly you know, like controversial from a certain viewpoint, but I mean, he's a fantastic filmmaker. He's making cinema that is being loved and enjoyed by people, and you know, the Hindi audience discovered him with Kabir Singh. So, I mean, I'm fortunate. And of course, Roshan, who's doing Deva, also is an extremely talented filmmaker whose work I loved and enjoyed. You know, so yeah. So I think I am open to working with people who I feel have the talent, you know, to take it to the audience. And I will always support those people because that's how I got my first break. Somebody gave me I was not anybody's this or that or none of those were the reasons.
Uh-huh.
Nobody, you know, when I signed Ishq Ishq, I told my father after signing the film that I've signed the film. I didn't even tell anybody who I was, you know, because I didn't live with my dad.
Yeah.
So actually a lot of people didn't
Even know.
that I'm his son, actually, you know.
But what's a pattern between all these directors, right? कि क्यों faith, you instilled your faith. There must be something inside you like, यार ये talented बहुत सारे लोग हैं.
I mean, see, at that time, their work came in front of me,
हाँ.
you know. So eventually, if something comes in front of me that excites me, I always go for it. It's always instinctive, you know. So it happened like that.
But is there
met
something
Roshan.
about them, all of them, which
Is
really-
consistent? They're all damn good filmmakers. They all were damn
For
good.
sure.
Eventually, you know, I had good taste, I would say. So yeah.
Interesting. Okay, but I want to ask you like 2-3 questions. Okay.
Yeah.
Last on a direction which is a little philosophical, but okay. What's your biggest fear?
My biggest fear. So as a child, I had a fear of darkness. I have overcome that to a great degree. I always was uncomfortable in flights. And I'm also not the best swimmer, so I don't love being in water. So I think my fear is anything that is not my immediate comfort zone. There's this really nice saying which says that whatever you are afraid of is where the rest of you lies.
That's why you choose these characters to do it, all these.
You have to go to your fear. You'll find the rest of yourself there.
But you said comfort zone se bahar nikalna.
Comfort zone se bahar, yeah.
Is
So
your
that's like a
fear.
childhood thing I've
Yeah,
always
it's
had. So I've had to fight a lot.
Yeah.
Like I had to really struggle with it. I
Yeah.
still struggle with it sometimes. But once you orient your mind in a certain way, you have to be able to fight your fears, right? To fight your fears, you have to have a certain mindset.
If you look at your life, right, at least from what we see from the filmography, ऐसा दिखता नहीं है कि you're been afraid to actually get out of your comfort
But
zone.
all artists are like that. You know, their complexes, their challenges, they find liberation in art so they can express themselves openly there. If they had no challenges, if they had no complications, if they had no, struggles, there would be nothing to express. So the expression comes from that, actually.
And you
that's
see this
where
as,
you express yourself. You know what maybe you can't do in real life. I guess, bro. I guess it's like that.
but even today you see this as a form of expression कि it has become money now. Business point of view से देखते हो आप कि मैं ये मूवी
No,
साइन करूँ
see,
क्योंकि
of
बिजनेस है.
Of course. I mean, you would be blind not to. See, there is a child inside you. That at least there is a child inside me. That made me choose this, that made me want to do this, that made me express myself, that told me that nahi yaar tu hero banega. It's not a very simple thing yaar. It's just like a very far-fetched kind of thing. As you become an adult, your awareness of a lot of aspects will come, right? But that child has to always be alive. वो फंडामेंटल इनोसेंस जो होता है ना, वो एक क्रिएटिव इंसान की एक इनोसेंस होती है. आप हर पिक्चर करते हो ना, आपकी फटती है रिलीज से पहले.
अभी हो रहा है.
फटती है, you know, bro, every time. Shit होता है वो. क्या होगा, कैसे होगा, चलेगा, नहीं लगेगा. Shit, you're so sensitive. उसका मतलब क्या है? उसका मतलब यही है ना कि आप सिक्योर तो नहीं हो ना, आप रिलैक्स तो नहीं हो. आपके अंदर एक नीड है. आपको चाहिए फीडबैक, आपको लोगों को खुश करना है, इम्प्रेस करना है, आपको देखना है लोग बोलते हैं कि वाओ ब्रो यू किल्ड इट मैन, आई लव्ड इट. वो अगर रिस्पॉन्स नहीं आया तो मैं अपने आप से तो सेटिस्फाइड नहीं हूँ. बट एक्चुअली प्योर स्टेट आर्टिस्ट का वही होता है. येस्टरडे आई सॉ दिस लिटिल वीडियो ऑफ प्रिंस एंड ही सेड दैट सक्सेस इज इन द क्रिएशन ऑफ द आर्ट. यू हैव सक्सीडेड व्हेन इट गॉट क्रिएटेड. When you give it to somebody to critique, you have given the power to somebody else.
Yeah.
Your power is gone. So always enjoy the creation, the process, the moment in which creation happens. You know, that is the moment.
But
जब
do you
बच्चा
enjoy?
पैदा होता है, everybody is so happy. उसके बाद वो बच्चे की बैंड बजती है पूरी लाइफ. You know, because everybody is critiquing him. He himself is critiquing. But that moment when that child is born, that is the purest moment. That is where you have to enjoy that moment. So I want to do that. I want to enjoy the moment of creation like a child. Like I have no logic and no, it should be pure, bro. That is so there. But you have to push it away.
Are you able to do that 100% of the times?
Not 100% of the times, but I would say a good 80-90% of the times.
That's still very, very, very
It's
good.
pretty good.
Pretty
I'm
intense.
impressed with myself.
On that note, thank you so much. It was pleasure having you.
No, thank you, Raj.
I could
You
go
made it
on
so
and on,
chill
but-
and nice. You're very good at what you do, mate. So I'm really happy that you stuck to all your beliefs and
Thank you.
you know you've done everything that you wanted to do and jump maar de baki sab ho jayega. I remember that.
Thank you. Thank you
for
so
that.
much. Here's a last question which I ask everybody is what do you think I could improve?
You could improve or learn to work outside your studio because I think we had a great conversation.
Yeah, we
mate.
did. We did.
No, I mean
I think it's one advice if you could give me.
don't take everybody's responsibility. It usually leads to disappointment at a deeper level at a later stage. Take as much as you feel that you can do without expecting anything in return and with a sense of happiness. When you feel it starts making you feel a little loaded, don't do it because then what's the point? You're doing it with the spirit of doing it selflessly, right?
True.
So that's the only thing I would say. And now the same question for you, brother. You need to...
No.
No, bro, come on. I need to gain from this also.
Okay, here's something I'll tell you. I don't know if you how would you take it, okay? I could see the moments where you were holding yourself.
मुझे भी ये सेंस हुआ कि तुझे पता है
हाँ,
और तुझे उसका जवाब चाहिए, मैं वो भी दे देता हूँ.
हाँ, but
दे देता हूँ मैं जवाब. जिन जगहों पे मैं पूरा खुला नहीं ना, वो जगहें वो थी जहां सिर्फ तू मेरे बारे में नहीं पूछ रहा था।
नहीं
हाँ, जब तू दूसरे रिश्तों के बारे में
हाँ,
सवाल
रिश्तों के
पूछेगा,
बारे में
जब
पूछा
तू
था।
फैमिली के बारे में सवाल पूछेगा, जब तू जहां दूसरे लोगों की फीलिंग्स इन्वॉल्व है, मैं एक्चुअली बहुत खुल रहा हूँ। मैं इससे 2-3 साल पहले इसका 10% भी नहीं खुलता, लेकिन मैं खुल रहा हूँ क्योंकि मुझे लगता है थोड़ा तो खुलना चाहिए। लेकिन उसके आगे ना मुझे लगता है वो इज्जत का दायरा कभी क्रॉस नहीं करना चाहिए। आजकल ना लोग थोड़ी वायरलिटी के लिए ना कुछ ज़्यादा ही बोल देते हैं।
फेयर।
तो वो जो आपके निजी रिश्ते हैं उनकी जो एक इज्जत है उसका दायरा हमेशा बरकरार होना चाहिए। तो मुझे माफ़ कर देना, मैं पूरा नहीं खुला तेरे सामने, लेकिन मुझे सिर्फ ऐसा लगा कि जितना बात कर सकता था मैंने खुल के की। उसके आगे मुझे लगता है शायद ज़्यादा हो जाता।
नहीं, मैंने वो रिस्पेक्ट किया, इसीलिए मैं आगे बढ़ जा रहा था।
You also didn't. I saw that. I saw, and I appreciate that. Thank you.
No, I understand your point of view now. So
Yes.
it makes complete sense because I'm exactly like this. I would only share the kind of things जो
थोड़ा
मेरी
सा वो protected area
protected
होता है
area
कि ये इतना ये इसके आगे नहीं।
हाँ।
तो वो थोड़ा सा है मेरे ब्रो, मेरे अंदर, मेरे नेचर में हुआ है। मैं क्या करूँ?
Perfect.
और मुझे वो अच्छा लगता है एक्चुअली।
It's good as
I
long
like
as it serves you.
Yeah.
It's great.
Yeah.
But as a podcaster, I would want to know what did you feel there? So ठीक है.
You know, मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगता है ये चीज़ जो मेरे अंदर पहले नहीं थी, कि जब आपके पास कोई अपने परेशानी लेकर आए ना, उसे ऐसा लगना चाहिए कि आपके लाइफ में कोई परेशानी थी ही नहीं।
क्यों?
ताकि आप उसको उसकी परेशानी में हेल्प कर सको। ये तो this is what you were saying, bro. You do the same thing as a brother.
I do.
You
as
said that
brother.
yourself, right?
As a brother, I do it.
Yeah. So I know this is all about sharing. So I tried as much as I could. But it was a very relaxed. I really enjoyed the conversation.
Yeah,
It was
I
very
loved
relaxed.
it.
And
I genuinely liked
Thank you.
it.
Thank you.
थैंक यू सो मच ये एपिसोड एंड तक देखने के लिए। आपको पता है कि आपको 3 चीज़ें करनी है। नंबर 1, अभी के अभी हमें सब्सक्राइब कर लो, क्योंकि अगर हमने आपको कुछ भी इनसाइट्स दिए तो प्लीज़ आपका एक सब्सक्राइब कैन हेल्प अस अ लॉट। नंबर 2, कमेंट करके हमें बताओ कि और कौन से गेस्ट हैं जिनके साथ आप चाहते हैं कि हम पॉडकास्ट बनाएं, और उनसे क्या क्वेश्चंस पूछें ताकि हम आपके लिए और बेहतर एंड वैल्यूएबल इनसाइट्स ला सकें। एंड नंबर 3, ये एपिसोड किसी एक इंसान के साथ ज़रूर शेयर करना जिसकी लाइफ में कुछ एक नया सीखने को मिलेगा उसे इस एपिसोड से, क्योंकि एक कॉन्वर्जेशन इनफ होती है किसी की लाइफ का नज़रिया बदलने के लिए। आई विल सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम। अंटिल देन कीप फिगरिंग आउट।